Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Talk with Sorintan Haure. Aja itumui program the talk show hi ketioga delay sai re technical issue like hai waina jiwang tum gutongli apologize sangai delay sai salala arui zadwagi dakle program hi itum gutongo participation mangaina successful kasa kala athai khamthe program khanga ngasara gaji kaji han shit kasang leye untum gutongali ningshi kajangade program li razang khamiwang untumna how go pogdo ku bain dang dang bung phalagaina organize talk show hi kupsang saklo gi le request sangai de ajui topic analyzing the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election 2022 gi ne itumna theija ajontang Manipur Legislative Assembly election kupsangai re before the election itumi ngasot now shungkur ram kakai kite ku khar chala kachung khashai election hi wangaina party ngateng rokau kita candidate ngateng rokau kita ituna best candidate kapanga vai gisau process li our election hi kubai laga itumi yang jiwa chingri and pom khai da thada leilue re festival thai which comes once in every 5 years itumi election hi khyang jitran jena itum hi muchuk laga kasangkhat wa important part wa ari 5 years ilis at wagi da klei paina da hangai iba elected representative akana awi ot ka sa kala accountable sala gaina yarui na darkar ga sa ngalei na meeting jina darkar ga sa ji legislate ka sa awi ot ka sa jina importance ha mai da kui juwaina 5 years at wagi da klei le public being he informed citizen aksada awareness lelaga itum electoral politics ili ko shok jang ka thai gi importance sai da kui hi ga thai manga aina ituna ara upcoming elections being hili itum thamai participate sare jiwang aina itum na program ku shok da klei ne ara election ku gai hi analyze se ka pha lei sala itum thamai da sawa khawai practices malpractices klei itum muscle power money power or ari proxy ga practices sa khai leila itum ji chik tha ji ka tha reforms ha si ke ji itum analyze sa a ji kala ara autonomous district council election he anytime conduct sa paidle parliamentary election 2024 li saure and issue Manipur Legislative Assembly 2027 li is 5 years rak hai mathai mane itumi hi ka tha wi wang prepare sak laga kala reform ka sa society ak sa da chatwa khwai gi jiwang program hi sem shok jik sak sa ne ajui topic hi mai khai mi khwai itum brainstorm sangrum khwai the panelists mati na razang midalaye kuchung ka ning sharing phai itumna atumle welcome sa ina avu introduce samire kalaina aming pa shok ngshida atumna sit ngran mi aida kleili kapa milog ji request sangai then remake up the ina kuirum vu sila kong hai former president tangku shnau longli welcome sangai le nana apomili kala ka kapa mi thaulo ni she Kakaniali Kuira Karinyo Shimra, General Secretary and Election in Charge, Ukhrul District, NPF. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Kakatumali Kuira Ningchui Grayson Shatsang, Spokesperson, BJP Ukhrul District. Please take your seat. Thank you. Committee Asada Kuira AC Rising, social activist, Kala co-convener 45 Chingai Manipur Legislative Assembly Election Core Committee. Thank you so much. Nishimatina. Atam kasakya kalay salala program hilirang room kami bang chung kaning shi ring pai Nishimatina. Razang milaka chan pai gasa kala natumi thangmed experience share gasa ina program himang maningla itum tangku society hili kanga che rai kasang kuchung ka kuirara kichi han leidelaye kala online na yang dak lay viewers pink na tum ko tong galila welcome sad lay show hili arma itum na discussion hi kup khau chi tran public interaction lay re hili razang mi gai audience ping mang maning la yari online na yang dak lay ping lila welcome sai natum na ngahan khangai natum na opinion putin sa ngai ji natum na free sala gai na ngahan milo ichmwe khyashi khangia khyashi paya panelists ping na ngahan ka mi re all right ara let's proceed with the discussion. Are you ready? Guessing ready saila ajuwa election ku baugida teoga thukmaida kodora I don't know before the election she have introductory round ne เจนจ่าต้มจิลิบะก็ชอบกระจังจีนุ่มหลังจีรังสักท่าเทอยู่โชว์อิเลเป็นเลสรักจังบี election กูไปเลย feel free อีทุ่ม society งเจกไว้อีทุ่มลิขมาท่าขังเจคุยรักไว้จุยนิ่งจุกไอ้น่ะนุ่มนั่นละ share สามีโลกูจี request สังไง alright we topic analyzing the 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly election 2022 hili emphasize salaga in opening remark ndumi personal experience la zang laga or if you are affiliated to any parties jiuli la base laga come to milo jena opening remarks ada in a 5 minutes each mirai remake up in a kurum silakong hili atam hi mingai ladies first the only women panelists jena nali atam hi remake up the mirai you may sit yeah that's fine then we opening remark hi atam hi sing Thailand sing rock shi 5 minutes each and we opening remarks ada kui milo yes Joe please take your time
ning shnai de khi hang rek lem thim ne yu wang aji na ka khnie ne awe sorin than hori we talk show hili jang ka a hi awen hopok ji thai shinau bing li athom ni re da ngai sa gam thi tu re ilia achi sara jeka ayang jin ka tha hang krawi chi ka tha sa char lak tele this is the second time anyway
achon thang khang ne ayam ni
phi lak la la phaniung khmi wang ning si dele I hi sila je kong he like we ching wen ne remai naw ne naw ka thum le ar ka thum le ning si ne thum ni tha da sang phang hi khi hang ura election aya jon thang jang ko bhai re a thang issue host na hang re election ko khai na ba chingri hai re phai re ta pam khai de le re kha aji ta pam de le kha ya ru li ma thuk na sakai aji na ka tang maning mane akham khnau thang thak lak na ra lu aure kum phanga we thi ra lu aure or ADC a thang hang aula MP election thak lak na kum thum ra rang kha kum kha kum khini war long le ra lu aure chili thum ka thada ma tha mai da sak wai sa sik la ga chu ba achi hi chat thui khai a jon thang chang chat thui khai hi analyze sa se gi chi de le re da khui in a larik li yang la ka khi khana thum ni hang chi thei khwai tam chi thei khwai ma le lak mane share sa khwai ma le lak mane kha I kyang si do not a politician thalala hi ga thawi fairly sangra haugi da you will take a khui in experience ka sa na tumli to the share sa ngai mane thei sare na thum na ma thei kham thei tu rei nang ra bing na jang viewers bing na ba thei sir le re a chu wi chakai election hili khiring ka phasang phang khiring ki shisang mangla da ili personally ling han lo je kha ring ka pha ba khalam lim ni ning chot mang u ka khnang mang mlong khwat mang hang sapai sani si je hipai le na ma ke ngai we ke je na dang de khmu tia tam na ra khai ni ya ma ka pik lak mre ya I thum wang na da chot chi chire na chang da chat ta khle along ba shi ke ji li la sam ngai we ke je na dang de khmu ti tra khle imang maning mani chang tra khna ma tu hi khi wang la ke ji I thum a chi hok la sa da hi analyze sa la ka pha khamai yaru na ma ke pe ni khi wang la ke ji pha khamai ko kira ko bai ma chung sa ngai na thum khni thot ping na akham ma khau thang na thum na thing ni ngau gi ji de I thum ma tam kan hai ra ru ya yang ina phaning e a chi hi ga tha sarkaya 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election hili mari le laga connection le laga discussion sagi jili khoni thot ping we alongli ayi ili khira sa log jikla jang de ina phaning e ha ashi ku thumli yang laga ngonu ye jaka ru na thum dei fa yang viewers kya khle khle thum thei thore kha thala la na thum na ka thei dar kar le hawai de aru ba da phaning e yang iwa chu thiu khai election hili ma ka pen trak khle ila candidate ka sara da le sai ka ticket mo jo shok thore yu area chiliwa iwi area hi ba khongjai na dominate ka sa apam majority khongjai na khale ka pam apam ne chili isi tangkhur naw ping voters thingmati shikha tadak teu khalang la lang re hi khale ne เฮลิโคเคยังคำสาค่ะเที่ยวขมาย minority groups or minority communities like Kom, Waipe ฮิปิงเวขังจอนมาคุยค่ะอีทุมามีเรื่องลิมการ์กิกจีจิกท่าปอมนี่ก็ปอมนี่ก็ท่าละละพาร์ตี้นั่นเลยสิดายารุนั่นเลยสิดาก็ต้องมีดาวติเกตสมังค่ะเงินนิ่งเลยก็ข้าควายซาเสตฮอตขนาดตั้มทรานติเกตมันมีช็อกทุดาอีมังนิ่งทุเอ independent candidate อะค่ะอีทุมวยอาป้าหกไปอะค่ะเงินนิ่งเอค่ะกุลาชิลากันนะเอาไว้บ้างอีทุมน่ะสักจังดาคิดขมิเลยละมาการ์ทุเร second ก็ election ดีว่า second position มากันน้ำก็อะขมังสิดาขมังเคลนี่จะนำมาการ์ทุเรเอาเรื่อง election นี่กบใครเนี่ยมันก็เป็นกระจงขเลยเลยมีเลยชาวมีแล้วก็ขมายยาซึแล้วก็เล็กให้อีมาสามริงพาก็จีบิงจีมริงพาตะเลยรู้ตัวถ้าก็ฮีอีถุมนิ่งเต็งรกแล้วก็ถ้าจะแกบเล็กให้จีก็ถ้าจะ bridge ซาซีก็ถ้าจะเมื่อกันรกละเลยได้เลยจีก็ถ้าจะทงอักษาการแล้วก็อีถุมหันรกซีก็ถ้าจะ machine มันแล้วก็ next วังอีถุมมาทำให้ตัวซาบะให้ก็ถ้าจะซาซีก็จีพนิ่งแล้วก็อาตมาจังเลยชิงระ but I think you all have a big role to play นั่นทุกนั่นละ role ก็หักขังเรียวกี่จีเลยแต่ยังหังไงยังปาร์ตี้ก็เต็งร็อกเซอร์ให้ได้ปาร์ตี้ฮิปไอเนี่ยมากาคำสาไปมเลยฮิปไอเนี่ยมากาคำสาไปมเลยแต่ตราค่ะหังร็อกเองค่ะอีว่าโหวตสังเกตก้าจะ put capture side อีว่าปังฮิตุคุยแล้วก็โหวตสังมีระดับสักโอ้อาทุกมันนิ่งจังจิลีอีนั่งไปคุยแล้วก็อีวิโหวตอะขมังโหวตใครจีน่ะทุกนายอร์จะไปละอีวินิ่งจังจิลีสังเรือจะนะจิมาสาไปมเลย please แต่ยังน่ะหังไอ้แต่อีนั่งคุณคุยเลยปังจงคุณคุยแล้วก็ none of the above โนตาจิลีน้ำแล้วก็ช็อกให้นี่ยังอีลี force สักไว้แต่การละมันเลยมันจิกท่าแต่มันนิ่งเลยมันอะไรบ้างอีทุกนั่นนิ่งจังก็อีทุกสวีกิกจีนี่ยารุนิ่งจังคิกเลอจีทุกอย่างก็ใส่กิจนี่เจนน่ะถ้าเดาเขาก็พกซะเดาฮิกท่ามันนิ่งพักของโรคอีทุกลิตรเขามาเลยละก็ครูดสเตรกลีมอร์ไม่ได้ช็อกตะคลีไทยสนาบติลิละตราเขาก็ช็อกไทย different parties even independent party ปิงเวเนี่ยงงชาวซาลก็ซาตะคลีก็จงก็ช็อกไทยอาริบะก็เตยมาหังวาละอิชิตังคุลุลิช็อกตะคลีมันนิ่งพาละเลยตะคลีฮีก็ถ้าเดาซาสิกเลอร์ก็จีฮีนั่นทุกนั้นถ้าลักนั่นชุรุคุยมิโลก็จีเรื่องมันก็ตีฮีหังขังไงนี่นิ่งชินายเลย
Ni share issue first speaker Queen Vasila Kong Heli no experience ang laga opening remark mi khawang kanya sa rin Queen Karing Yoshimura General Secretary and Election in Charge NPF Ukhrul District le taming ai the opening remark wi bang
Adam kami wangi share iwi opening remark he katam naura changka bawda tiongmi ka India wi political system ina tropic sarga hangdauge okturi form of governance kaji form of government hi chungang bajne government hi kada ran sagra ji India kada hi wa democratic form of government ne whereas China kada Russia kada hi communist socialist chada form chungule India ri democratic form of government ri matai rakina regional party national party dang vai candidate aga sada ing ningra jai ga ba ina either national party ring ning bai or regional party ring ning bai regional party we national party we ticket musam bang ga ba or ina iwi ideal rock na mum ya ga ba ihi independent ni rang ning bai candidate da ga sada sida da a jondong thui ga election jire kaji ga wi wang ba bad experience sam bang dre bai whereas I district we election in charge sada I wi wang ba tam gui bai ka chunga lei sai iri invite sa mi wang ni share dai ra ke na I wi personal experience sang lo je ga ba politics street jang na ga ukrulli politics election rai re ga jadam ni matai ra ke na hi 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly we context in hangoge first ticketing party with ticketing system hi important sarage Congress ranno BJP ranno NBP ranno isi NBF ranno kujikta independently kangning ping ranno party with ticket hi we stage crucial sarage 지가 이거다 너가 competent 사람까지 미그 중거 해버디 위 티켓 6 사이고 티켓 봉록도 그러네 제나 first stage 티켓 그 보았더니 crucial 사람게 제나 second stage 그다 그래 지가 봐 first stage 파티는 영나가 히바히나 티켓 선방가 자라 히바히나 영가 히바히나 파티 그들이 파티 그들 위 candidate 빙지리 위셔프다 파티 위 아롱리 scrutinize 사르이라가 consultation 레이르라가 여리위 opinion 연구이라가 히바히나 파티 그들이 딱샤프라다 파티나 blessing 그 미미 빠지나 티켓 그싱네 지리 파티 위 티켓 홀더지 first stage 그거니 바래가 다 그래 지가 티켓 선방아이 미바지 티켓 선방가이 아담리 파티 그 동아위 캔디데이트 필차 세라고지네 BJP 위 캔디데이트 라우라 congress 위 라우라 NBP 위 라우라 JTU 위 라우라 independent 라우라 그 동아라 다오기지네 아라 티켓 싱록 세어다 그래 미 사이코로 윙 짜이레 이시나 그다다 강석시도 그지위 strategy 셴록지노 strategy 그 셴지리 BJP 바시라 아시위 다음에 튀기제 내셔널 파티야가 싸우거다 락하이 폴리티컬 파티야가 싸우거다 아시위 베스트 시진지네 아시위 베스트 워커스 핑시지네 베스트 폴리시 시지네 아시나 상가바이 페이사 해정나 지다 깜메나 파티 그데이지라 MPF 런노 MBP 런노 congress 런노 지다 해성 세르지네 아라 이 strategy 다음에 튀기지 바시네 유기진다 각이진다 아루이 area unit DCC 아부부리 키가 constituency 아부부리 미아부만 각이진다 파티 티켓 그 중간 선봉 살라 미약만 각이진다 politics 리바 second place 그지 희망밤니다 아당 매담 시라늘 항아이래 제나 티켓 선봉아이라가 strategy stage crucial 사라게 이 experience 래 그것도 뭐 사다 알아 vote cast 사당 원이 important 사이고 casting vote 때이지 지당 원이 그다 그래 지금 봐 너나 strategy 셈락 해지 지당 원이 actually rectify 사를 준다 봐 이신나 sorry 이시위 policy strategy 셈마이다 그래 party 위 파티는 strategy 셈마이다 그래 히 아지 vote 상기지네 전 아지 그야가 effective 사라 파티 그들이 이신나 majority 그다도 구이러 그지 위 아가시다 voting vote count voting day 등 언제 악시다 기가 사리고 제가 지위 strategy 아존당 위 strategy 에는 해오라가 그다다 사시도 그지 위 rectification 아가리래 제가 그무디에 사다 election vote counting 때에나 research 그 속점이 쇼지 important 사이 지금 현재가 그래 지금 봐 area unitary 이신나 assess하게 village 희삼방라 희아그리 희삼방라 히다라 지하이위 vote 위 미싱 지삼방 감삼방 그지 지리 악시다 이시나 vote 무상능나가 assess하게나 곱하이라가 지 compare 옹사를 진다 왜 제나 지리 이시위 strategy 검다 이시위 counting 이시위 expectation 이시나 analysis 하다 그래 지리 무슝잉위 지리 웅대지네 제나 순나가 이나 희항나가 closing remark 타다 키가 opening remark 위 히고 고 사우라 vote counting 당 혼히 이 office 리 범노 district 거 동아위 constituency 거 동아위 키가 영거바이 웹사이트 타임이래 머니푸르 government 지리 양 셀그지 아담 다란 이시 고 봉나오 빙위바 10,000 plus 에 가세르지노 whereas my day bashi 5,000 plus kaigava atom he yu shonjine whereas shiva 10,000 ojati go wrong almost 30,000 approach sajinda jena ji khina krada ara analyst ka sadamne kadam na ping dam go na ping na kana political party ma kai ra he things ngai delimitation no atom we apamni ba 20,000 ni 19,000 ni 21,000 ni emire avu 이시 위바 45,000리 47,000리 에미레 아부노 제나 aje America khai ping hina daira kaina kada da sabaira kajiba hi idum kutong wi common responsibility ne hi ba mai deri 30,000 America ga pungri 30,000 America ga gijne jena party ga de na masara isina ka sa akle election campaign ni party ga de ba ne ba adum manifesto adum party ri ka da sangna MPF free ishi party na ka da dam tha mai au ji campaign ga chung ga chat chine whereas ishi party na ba mji da jin da bai ishi with strategy ba na ba ishi with strategy ba na ba na ki wi wang ai na vote ka sara na ki wang ai na no we other franchise ji exercise sara ji sa ga na ki sam bang na ji sa wi sak jin na ki muk sa wi sak jin na ki na ji exercise sa yon ai ga ji wi sak jin na ki da idum ba ba mi ri tam mi wo chena campaign we start strategy ji rang teng no ge chena ina ka thei tha ga ba ukruli sina MPF ku thum thum ka hi strategy kam tha nei da khui re matai ra kai na voters ping ning si isi ri support sa mi wang che mang ma ji ra da vrena ka mong shom mi khai ra chang la ge ji ye ja da shan gui ning share jo
okay ning share ku ra kring yo shimara le no we experience mtala in hang mi khai ji wang arui ina ka thum sa da arui chi ba ji ma mi chaw rung ka in nei ta da ka ma chan sang au kai arui shi panelist ai da klai khani li arui thum ma tu gi da klai hi tangku society le contextualize la ka ma tuing sangai of course topic mi khai hi the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election 2022 ji ka self explanatory na ina bhab taw ni ga da itum tangku context na ka ma tu mi lo ji hangai and then arui le ishimam tu wa rang la ga ina online na athum na handa da akmang response ha mi okay hi so that arui itum same page li like vai wang every show talk show hi every party equal representation le vai wang invite sa sere ka chung ga ka sangre hi NPF na BJP na turn up sai NPP Congress INC invite sa shone they failed to turn up AJ last early cancel ga sa ji itung issue meaning ne dai na hangai atumli approach sa shone program ga ji da thak me da hang shone prepare sa va atam la mi shone AJ cancel ga sa we or atam na apam na macha thuwe da mara ga jang ser ne ji hangai platform hi tangkul platform ne partia khui li favor sa ba sa ga chik ta ki khala male mi ji remake the clarify sangai are we rajang dak li jang ga miyak rajang fogi ne khui thotting am shing lai social activists a jamra jang ro thu ji ne representation hi peila ga ni thum na sangai ser ji sa khan ne kha a hi masaga paiwa unavoidable circumstances later marag jang saksani jena ari rajang dakle ashi mati hin laga I'm sure they will best represent the Tangku society atum rajang ga share sagi dakle hi lai tum society le haksang re sang vai wang nei gi ji dum hangai ina ari kuira ningchui grayson shasang le atam hi mingai dele a hina BJP Ukrul district with spokesperson no way opening remark wang atam ka khimilo
ni share Sorentan thank you so much for having me again. I hope you remember the remark which I gave in conclusion last time in the election with the era the kahangji then invite Samuel Nishi in unlike previous discourse I could see a number of students coming from college and then I learned that all of them are political science students. He encouraged Saye as far as possible, even in the near future, if your team could, and if we are able to organize on a regular basis, not only on political issue, any issue, socio-economic development, healthcare system, education system, it approach itum understanding hila itum mathami the layout of the issue sagena sabaika sabaika at least a couple of times in a month or 3 times in a month kathala sase kiji hangai laga ishi titi we news delegate so Mr. Sorentan we talk show he takhona being the monthly basis in a subscribe salaga every individual at least subscribe Kasaji mga na 10 rupees every month contribute saji ja. I will talk so he sang about the system. Otherwise, I don't think he he sang baragi he sustain ksa he muragi ji thai thai ga it be we have to be generous enough I guess
Wang sak vai sustain sa vai hot na rom share say.
Okay, all right, having said that, let me straight away hit to the points. Today we are on discourse about the last Manipur legislative election. He tada humoram machuka you experience and how. Okay, let me straight away speak from the experiences. What happened is that in a Kapningli tada every issue with People Alliance, when the topic of People Alliance and seat sharing appeared in the surface, in Machukta Lebana, that eveningly, I knew that this was going to happen. PJP candidates in Ukhrul district will surely be defeated. Kichibahi eveningly Razan Gailage. People Alliance Manipuri mechanism many. He by meticulously designed Sakaya to Lagahaya central leaders being really understanding Laylaga Atumna Shamkasoga mechanism the E Papta in the pub that other me to Atum Gdong La Papta later other Chewy impact he even the field Sada later. Gender, of course, this doesn't mean that I don't accept our defeat. I, from the core of my heart, as the spokespersons of BJP in Ukhrul district, accept the defeats of BJP in the last 12 Manipur legislative elections. And I am, on behalf of BJP's Ukhrul district, speaking as underdog. Actually, ishi kizangat ishi kibagna makyujili Mike situations li kibana kilesara except sangai kadala situation compel sawida ishi magathure kamagaji on which basis why BJP candidates were not elected as our representative to the Manipur Legislative Assembly. I feel, and speaking for myself, if there could be so many people among the viewers who do not like to subscribe my view, the reason why they were defeated in the elections. The reason being obli remark the Tiomida Mere, Daukrion, Lahangere, Kachewing, Jajili, Itun public being that here, whether the elections at different places were conducted in a fair means or unfair means, Yarubina. Judge Sarano. I don't have to judge on the stage. He, number one, experience. Secondly, issue as far as the Qinghai constituency, Qinghai 45 SC's part is concerned. Very unfortunately, we had 4 candidates, and then the voters were to be divided into 4 groups. Number one, Salaga. That was the reason why our candidate was struggling a lot. He literally had to run from pillar to post to get elected in the elections, but very unfortunately, he makhui di chang baba mawe. In the same case, Ari Rajavagla, Ari Pungirvagwi Gendravaglila. In a Papadang way, they all contested for the elections or not, but before the elections, at least 4 or 5 names were in the list, I guess, from representing different political parties. The G Soke, the Chitakamina vote being here, the shares Sahawe, Ukhrul Chilala. Ukhrul Chipom candidates, Athum strong, Sasargi candidates, 3 candidates, and Akwaji, Congress of Baji, elect Saiksa candidate Aka, strong Salagasa, and he happened to be a role in a Pap Madangwika, Kajungana, youth spinner, we outspoken Kasaji Teliga. ituma awi fan the kahangla I ksasamange, but praise ksaba manim as a BJP spokesperson. Don't take it as a praise. Yang kecil the sai gini. Jena of course issue is situationally jikthau wagena 3 different constituencies issue with 3 different candidates. Here the deal with the struggle kasali. Jena Chile issue strategically kangwila laisara. Of course issue strategically kangwe he is in the issue the overrated sagai in any situations. No competitions livalo, no football player agsalago or any athlete agsalago no competitions li kafajit ran kranabina hangji kala the self confidence layega overconfident layega, and at the same time idum never we underrated NBF, we underrated Congress. He idum we one of in the end that became one of the major setbacks. So it move on, BCBGB wang ba. Me kandili underrated so it ban overrated so.
1 minute.
Huh?
1 minute liko.
Okay. Okay. He will impact like how we end that defeat. That defeat itself the impact of overrated and underrated. He that railway. Jenna, say anyway. Our discourse is going to be very interesting. This is just a beginning remark. I know many questions will be coming from your side. Thank you.
Right. Thank you so much, Kura Ningju Shatsang, and thank you for the encouragement to the talk show and also to the channel. It motivates us more to do what's best for the society. The Talk with Sorintan Haure platform we have so many episodes coming up. It wouldn't be focused only on electoral politics. It was social issues, for example, water crisis, it was forest resource, entrepreneurship, tribe sang education. In the past episodes, but in future we have more programs coming up. And then as you audience youth but during elections young use and throw we election so the elections are over. Where are the youths now? Platform so I want the students to be exposed to such environment. Students being informed citizen awareness college invite say personally college invite privilege so I think it's going to be a good experience, a very big experience for them. Ning share arena committee opening remark queer AC rising social activists kala ajon thangwi election le ala kujung kham thalang party 45 chingai AC we yes co-convener core committee we jena atam hi queer AC rising living idle na atam ka khim
mahai reo Lei Kyang Jin to talk with Sorintan Haure. We talk show here the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election 2022. We review analyze kasawi kachibidi razangaya naisia katam naubing the DT Tangro Express we live show idi channel idi yang mida kaya iram naubing iwi co-panelist ping kadan actually we crew members natum katong adi remake the iwi ringapa salam midne the query sorintan di the ningshim yidushid ne invite sami dushid kijiwang chain ng soda itum katom thai se gi make up the hangaye achu itum we abam idi itum we metia hi important sai jena hi achu taw sorintan and team he you the autumn kung tu ne de kuye itum kadong katom se gi make up the hangaye he had the achu review he had the remark he had the mingaye political students being razang how kita I ketioga I pass pamang ni mening da political anchor body ketioga motingai focus sangai achu idumui India widi hak mai tuigi festival hi hak maha mai tuigi hi one of the biggest and the largest festival hi democracy widi election hi yang the election idum form of democracy election hiriwa idum Peter gutum lei matai mai tui the legislature judiciary executive power da gutum lei yang the actual election hi ki election le ga judiciary remaining mane executive remaining mane legislature ne yang ji dau gi da idum legislative election gaji ne achu idum the legislative gaji hi wa lawmaker bing ne gaji ne yang law sem gi ji yang for example hi chingai now ne ji dai ga chingai we 46,000 something population le de gre yu bing idi idum machine nganing mi khwai chingkum phanga idum machine phayen mi khwai idum khring khrak de ya mi khwai idum representative idum chingai context in hangau ge yang 46 population electoral politics when yang si jai ka he being hui 46 ki pa ga idum assembly ji ma jang bai mano akmang idum representative wa jang hau gi no jau gi da achu assembly ri idum chingai wi MLA ji na or ukru center wi MLA ji na or phungyer wi MLA ji na wa bi hai ka isi chingai ga dong bi ga hai no 46,000 above he to the bi ga hai no chia ga sa ge ji ne yang chia ga serious ka sa ne ji ne china idum representative sao gi da idum ka ji ga mi ji ho ka ri ga ji ga jang ka idum democracy ri bo hi ring para ga ya ga ne ji na ka te idum na chingkuma ga ri ma ring sang athe ring sang ya agsi ring sang da agsi hat phuire ku ka hinda yang ka idum democracy hi kya garing bag de jiga once chingkum bangari na khamata khamusungji na yaw sangai na right person ji ga bangai ka chingkum banga harvest agi jino ya kada hiri dum na wrong decision ga ga chingkum banga idum jot ki ji ne ji de ji ka aju idum na ka ji ga atha yaw sangai de ka ji hi leishe iram naw bing na tum ko tong ari question sangai ji ya hi ko joti idum MLA bing ni de blame masa bai ji ko chung ga de ne aju idum me election code of conduct star ko tong hi phaning de ga khonoi dot bing wang over sa mai dui ji very unfortunate yang ning sa chu mai dui ji election akang sai ji ne ki wang ne ga idum me manifesto ga mi akui capacity ji di focus masa da paisa ga sing ba ji na yang paisa de ga everything that the saga by an a bang kame an a them kame da the things a guy yang kada idum me external affairs yang idum me intervention masagran bing na the saga hai hab economy ga hai yang hi gida moser bo ga dai gida se jing ga dai hi idum wang hi kuda sida ka hai akane aju idum na the common sense bang and the masaga by de idum resi na ga sa da khring khra khi ga da da sa ra Vresi now ka sa da hi yon ne mo pho ba bai mane mari bai mane masa bai mane gi ta da achu idum election hiri da ka ta gre jai ga idum the representative of the people act 1951 and 1950 we he book hiri ko tong azang da krino ya the idum hi book hi wa ki ba ga da forum masa ji no ya hi sabai hi masabai mane gi ga tonga everything hang se ga ni wa section 123 da section 125 42 da 62 da idum mating de ge na aju election adam idi force promise masabai mane ya nadi ina what na idi what na mi ga ina nadi hi sa mi de gi na masabai mane ya paisa ina dang da ka sui na mu sui bai mane ya put capture da masabai mane ya chingum Pangawa sung da jadi part of sim di sangga bayang higida chunga ek rate ne rules rate ne yang ka idum wanga ek hi mane ek hi darga masa jidna idum grad the way comfort zone idum grad the way ka bing bang da safe style na conduct sa da kre no yang election ni masa thai dang na ga na dang da idum mi ri ni idum society idum yuri jot wi ji no jaw gi da in hang hai ba ba ajuwe election hi idum kuni dot ping mujuk kazak daga mathang jatbagi ji riba next 13 Manipur Legislative Assembly riba na MLA sa bai gai no leisia aju gatam nau ping yang idumui society hidi wa hi mara hi masamane the bomb the green achu idumui manipudi the youngest MLA hi at aruri bamning da kasabai ki bagre je Govindas aruri work minister in sports youth and affairs sing the yang ahi ka dagre je 25 years in ahi MLA ho boksino Tiger in Adam Miaga needing Anyanga, not to me bomb the grey bingy 22 to 25 we are only bomb the grey, could you topping mangina. Tiger no he MLA qualified Sakai, you know. Coming 12 Manipur legislative election, Tiger coming 13 Manipur legislative assembly river. No he ching I wang, Punyer wang, Ukru wang, Imadang Gru wang, representative Chongsokran guy. Kat jadi hai rak raga acu itu mi society na ba na ramri kungdi na hi nau shnau ne da na di recognize mami no platform na we space mai mi na ta hi ga tha we idum ta da hi we culture de rau ki da idum na great sa gi ji no ko yang a bomb space idum na great sa re idum na nganing ka phung re gi ji ba hi I ta da khuni dot ping ni hi ko tom ngai che nang so da adang ina hang ngai ba ba ki ga idumai election hi mataira ke na khanui thot aga saw gida kada yudi de shaw gida hi da idum postmodern ma ka sa nam sa bai mre yang adang iwe commission dang so now issue is spokesperson BJP na hang ba mai de mai pre-board alliance seat setting oki ga da ra ba mai ka achui sa da gre election ga tong hi idum na ka theine yang chi da haw gida achu India we ka thana bing na ba yang mayang now bing na ba idum yu hiri electro politics hiri architect sa kang mi
1 minute
ring phara ke ne ne wo yang sang sakra ngai ne ne china idum election hi NBF mam tham ne jim ning ko regional party matara ka ya political party akane ka thazai jid na NBF India with chief election commission we jingdi yang India we pilan we jingdi India we constitution we jingdi idum otsare kahangana da otsare da register sa kahaya regional party akane wo whereas idum we yurgaji hiwa idum two entities yang separate flag separate constitution da bom da kreni dina chidai ga idum we yurwi raimi bing hina election di ungzangai ga idum India south se da yang idum Indian now south se da unga gdom mai nang rai sa e gi no jena hi ma gdom sei gi ba hi masaru je next time diwa ka hi idum yur na khyon maning ne khra naw bing na khyon maning ne idum yaru bing na khyon ma wo I khra da we confidence I khra da we masa ka sabi wang na athum ni wang kun ga sang na wo yang chena idum election hi nge jai phung sei jai ga hi the main factor ka ne ara NBF di masang ga thingai na khang bit pa ji ba maning da idum di gdom mi ro da athum ni wa ga sui bing ba ji thingai nang bit gi ji no tam ji thai ji no yang hi maning ga idum khang jai change mara ba gi ji no da adam hi ka jang ga da 5 minutes ki mu du ji ri mu du ngai jung ga de ga adam dai ri jai de azma interaction ba di da I da samap sa na okay ning sia de sorry he nang zo da achon dang I chingai idum BJP candidate support sa ye may unfortunately adang gang da issue in the hidden agenda de augida idum gagawa mai wa mayar today makarar today khat hadna as a conduit akasa da idum team being issue candidate dang so da idum kapa rai ji wa idum pass en ang rai de ji hang la ging sing ho
okay ning share queer AC risingly 5 minutes each kamizane kaka tonga 5 minutes hen the quiz share kai ne hondan thum bali ara penalize our wage ne all right it to me a long discussion jang mo man laga athang miss out sa hai mom tu kui ping ji machan sang mo man lo atam ji mi mo man re ara 5 minutes you and 4 minutes time or athang extra ku yogi da right are we queer AC rising na ka hang ji li base la ga ina queer khring yo shimra election in charge NPF Ukrul district li question ka ina thro sangai are we opinion share gazajli NPF aina itmu yuri raimi we allegation laidakle NPF li vote masanga thingan shawi ju allegation hi how far is it true NPF we opinion li hi ki thawi practices si achu election hili election sa kha hili kya ka practice how kala arwi sa da accuse sa da allegation later clay hi admit saraga he was mere accusation ne baseless ne gijiwi no we opinion li thingai le ka da response ngai li 4 minutes li
4 minutes yak chungum ti birese I ari question ji wang ningshi ira aweje counter productive counter arguments harada ningizangai sai when it comes to nation when it comes to your jiga what is your gajine you ining ne your jaga iwi wangwa naka your idam naka identity jiga idam hi struggling stage ri bamawgada idam we naka we mushun rai he idam ba your he jiga ba naga nation state li understand sai bava whereas your jaiga saidak vakri nation jaiga kajikdana india ri you da phapta hele jena hiri ideological crashes jisika conflict of interest jisika the you wang you jiga naga nation state ri khang no kajikta wang you jaiga indian nation state ri khang no jena hiri hang the great point banava naka hiva idam bari honba struggling nation da struggling stage from the green oh idam movement hi siawgada ari we context ri hang logic ba naka nation naga sada or euro ga sada india nation india we electoral hiri active sara kaina ka jang muning mani sada hiba hiya clear sara kaina ko panelists pingri viewers pingri rajang khai kadam na pingri dara kaina phap tang saknai jigava hida jene yul adum yo sada grino whereas mbf iva adang hang thara election commissioner of india we azingre register kasa political party yakane ka election commissioner of india nara meya da recognize sa khainda hiba hi mbf we constitution ne ndam atam lega hi pa ingsello hiba hi mbf we constitution cross article 2 cross to age ri nga hangin hangda krine mbf hiwa indo naga political peace talk ri support chara ga ji nga hangin hangda krine jena article same article je article 2 cross to c bajri padari gava naka integration primary bam da kre manipur li bam da kre assam li bam da kre nagaland li bam da kre naka integration ni support sa da kre no ji indian election commissioner of india na maya da register sa khai political group ko jena ara naka bistok je ge dum he prime minister level li kuika da kre no country agre prime minister khni mung bam go jena ara prime minister level li tok chatta kre kuika da kre framework agreement ni sign sa raga tu indictis ta sichin da kre indictis ka political terminology li interpret sa ga two nation state ka jino jena share sovereignty ka ji jena grana what is share sovereignty ka jine country avu hi sovereign state se ro ka european union ga hi share sovereignty lewo uk na scotland hi share sovereignty lewo report evolution grani ka europe ba openly like indian electoral politics ri jangmuni mugo issue movement je electoral politics ri there is no relation at all relation akhamlim ne ka mpf na you movement ri ko domawgda naga na ko dong ning jang naga integration hi ko domawgda soft corner le raga ada support sa ka bai area ri teng mai ka support ka sa ne ga ji idum understanding le jiba saidak bakri hang se jiga ba mpf we modo hi ari indum na thei ri de mpf we modo hi isi we hi article 1 cross to jirim thara ke nangai de The motto of the party shall be Fidel Armis, means by faith, not by arms. Chen isiva I district election, district we election in Jasha Kasada. Iwi take we 45 chingairi isina put capture sawi ke jem shamne. 45 chingairi interesting saragaina asim tharakai candidate mangai Congress win ojas vote right. BJP win oja pressure right. MPP win oja ningam right. The candidate ping big shot mangai heavyweight mangai. Ka adang kahang tawara strategy tem ko may pasina. Strategy thamay ora. Election is all about making strategy na. Policy matter na. Jena monga gre issue with policy nam thamay aw kada ka khai he da ma chibok chung ko le sare he da khai ni ka Indian we election he pura transparency inside jiga ba kajik da min put capture sa ka apps le jinda apps party workers ko tori Ari he electoral office retraining kami adam niya FC na online live record sa raga kui raga chuai ga candidate pa disqualified sa ki jinda o evidence matara khai lega complaint sa ga disqualified sa rawo
2 minutes
okay jena I we take we riba आज we election jang here 100% tada free and fair ne isi party perspective riba ka kajik da candidate na Adam we level le party ka dena ka sa da kyang mai ka sa le sare isin ka ning tha ka ba example mauri jiro independent candidate na isi we workers ping rik shaunda MBF rik shaunda isi ban ma shaura hunbun ni jause hunbun ni jiga 다다 isi ring mungai le ka sat mi tung ka satinda mangai jinda hunbum ni jiro
hang ga bai ping hang serlo ma hang hai nya ja hang sok ser
okay and hunbum ni jawro jinda MBF ring mungai ra ga ingsa chungol lewa ka je hi da example iram ni jawse iram ri da NPP basina 다다 chungka sang no go ka je to ma hangai jine MBF ba
NPP basina shaulai sala
politically asina dominant saraga
okay
다다 member war 시즌 너 사후 지네요 same case 아리 무범 저세 이 election 자사다 district 동의 report 이시리 히다이리 무범리 저세 무범리 지가 congress 바신나 사다 그래 징슈리 congress 사다 그래 example 람랑리 징 congress 사다 그래 훈분리 BJP는 사다 그래 또 이 case 그 중걸 내고
yes
또 지리 양급 MPF 바시 바자 이시 주미션 강 존진다 검정 석세다
okay okay
ning share
okay ning share arui thada facts aina or itum apam hile contextualize alaga come to me lo the independent me request sangai chik tha chanda request arui ji all right I'll come back to you ka arui in arui we kuira khring yo shimra na ka hang jili ng sun laga athang ishi BJP spokesperson na kuira AC rising na hang gai jiling sunra kuira sila kong haili in a question hi sangai boot capture ka sa kala malpractice array itum na electionly free and fair masala practice sa gai hi do you think all the parties practice the same BJP no INC no NPF no tong na side kuira ka it is just NPF ka ju ning chu kai na jang dak le adang no we ka hang ji ang ga NPF li tiong me ka indirectly target ka sa da thai le je na chi in a question sangai BJP ne INC hi va boot capture sala or NPF mang sa ji we opinion and le la or take a witness le la ji na han ngai le
iwe opinion li hang lo je ka I khang te wo I tra kham the mne I thum na mi ping na WhatsApp li jo ka chik tha happening incidents chik tha ji ke themning la I mi ken ba the ba ma the mne ka I na hang da clever iwe ram iwe area li tang khul ram li polling stations kata apam chiliwa NPF lamla imne shu liwa candidate BJP leye Congress leye independent leye thala le independent wewang yuna boot capture sami jino chiliwa iwi family li voters ka lekla ka chi ina sangka khangte li ba sangai ba chine jawda athumna sing sir halaga athumna capture sami khai in hi ukhnang la ga hang ching ji ka khlat ba iwi constituency cycle ko holi le de khle tang ho no bing itum binga kum phanga hi khi sa gi jiglam thi tu re chiai re itum ne chi fai re maka thula butti capture sa la ga ka sa se pharmo chila maka ro thura now what do we do khi bảo ki chi khong jai nai mle kai re athum li ba la ga ai thum li tham mi lo jan election athum li na thum li vote ma sang la na shi ba to nga na shi dang khuli mi hai la ga independent candidate mi hai la ga isili ma mi la ga hang de le ari hang phokai de ki sau gi chi I will ram liba NPF mushok together BJP le salala Congress le salala khangdei NPP ka tha le salala ka to ngaji independent candidate wang capture sami khaine ai ashama 100% sangai ka mom yamre jiwangina hang phanga shi khaba ta hause laga khangdei hang phanga ji ba agent bing yer hause hang agent bing ji Congress agent ba jang sa kha independent ba wang sang khai dala ari honu khno thot ping agent ji atum na pom sir le de ina na tum le ning share la kan hi hangai shona we mama shung mane ke ji the kha ma shung kui se it has to start from you and me na tum na mo poka I tum na mo poka ki pan ga iwang bra pok mi mre je tum ning share se
in actually interrupt sawe arina na mention gazajli no we constituency liver NPF we candidate malay tumo and then constituency ke taping wilila refers alaga ara you according to hili kharjan sa dakle moina hiuli contextualize alaga euro we representative jinika jiwi meeting jinika he ara jili NPF party we candidate malay together so party akli NPF mangli hatumna nguyura ko otsai he Malay me any later lah.
Yeah.
Because
so,
NPF candidate makle apa mu ni?
He live kai ka area ka live Ukhruli jause. Ari hono talk of the town ni Ukhrun de jang.
Right.
Ukhruli ba candidate main sala kai na BJP la Congress la NPF la Khangdei party la shoksare ka Ukhrul district live NPF li ticket vote ma mi kham sa pai mrkho the khawau sha certainly re mag sha la sang thele le pai chi thai kha Khangtei district liver chimning lui mani Khangtei district liver NPF ticket mi hai laga NPF li support masala independent pa hile support salo ali blessing mi khai kho the shock wi dele Chandeli la chi papa me tengna bali la chi papa me ticket ve NPF ticket mi e kha blessing ba mi Khangtei li wau de independent li wau de Nagano ko thum nga pai chate le lekha hongja na kai re hi ki bau khyon ari thum ni skate go thada tang sak tak le chik thak chung khale Chandeli ha ticket va mi NPF we support na BJP le salo ta kha hi yaru ni ang khra tam li double standard ne dum khiro do fit sadale kha fitness parchili khamine je ka fit sadale je kha khok kha yang kha sada akhon akhai na khbao kha jiba centrally talk le pai ma le pai central la yang la ka oh ashiba khok kha sadale le mo chi akha chi the pai kha central na talk sadak le li I don't know very much about center we talk chili itra khala I thada ma phei ba ngai mini chi ba jiba kha election kazang hi la different entity ne dale ka election ung gazang hila chang hila he wisak zumlem la iba chila question sangai ha ariba katang ku chublaga khale tra khale re athum na khibali masang jana katang chukle jana NPF le masang jana athum na chitzalaga chibachi le masang jana ne da hang dale jang ariba athang wi maring phang rok man da khale ji musun kui se chilala क्या कर सक रहे जिंगम क्या कर सक रहे मेरी वापे हो लौन थे इधर मुई बा हाँ जैना आतंक कंगान था दा NPF मांग लिवा मनिंग मने का आतुम ने adjustment का सा अपम चिली इवे area लिवा independently support साइरे independent पावंग साइरे चंदेली BJP उवांग साइरे BJP चिबु पा उवांग का सादला चंदेली शिनापिंग ना kya ko concert shop ko tong na thei na titel na mang le khamin sala ka ni iwi hili thada iwi ram imaram tangko le chile le ithum chili ko pamning thu kita ate hangai constituency akhli ba pam hau kita ithum minority community sala ba pam de le hau kita ko chot le ithum chot mai khare tangko na nei chile la tangko na tra interest lam khui mi ne naga nei chile la naga na chili naga le de la interest la tra hom khui mi ne chik tha pam ne pam de kle ne and for which ka changkhat ba ithum khanang la kai maning share kha ithum ram hiba tambak li sangor de naga lam salim re tangkhul lam salim re mati mayang ba sala ba pom ki ja tam ra kai ka changkhat ba hili interest khui mi me gi chini ithum pom chini ithum mai naga wiram le de khle chila ru ba clock khui laga athum ne ning changa pom shi mau re.
Okay, ina interrupt sao okay. Juji will come back in the next question. Arwi
Okay,
baje. Next
okay.
line baje. Arwi bottom abri bullet points na Arwi bi clear sa man sai. Ning share kuir sila kong hili. Arwi awi mention gasajli for example Chandeli BJP li support sai kichiwi hangdeli. Yang kuir ning chu sha sang li ning han ngai dele. Arwi you itum na shichindak le. Yeah, different definitions as halapai ko euro giti mi kitonga we take ko liang kari to discussion hili euro we rai mi bing na or euro na support ka sahi atham shikchin kai khaliba NPF li kichi we left hand right hand thada allegation ni mi la accuse ka sahi kari kharjan sang man ka not necessarily NPF mang li mak to mane kichi hang de le. Do you think his statement he kya kamushung week let you know opinion thing and then BJP na NPF le accuse the allegation mi dak le you are in a NPF right hand left hand that also grouping ji thaka he mushung sar lag ji jin han ngai
le. Before I come to your point, I want to respond to the points made by my friend Mr. Krenyo. The reason why I'm speaking in English, I wish there are number of viewers right now online who are non-Dangkuls also. If possible, I want to reach out to the Manipur politicians and outside Manipur too.
Audience li non-Dangkul sang delay, so it's fine. Audience li non-Dangkul sang delay,
okay,
so it's fine. You can speak in both the languages.
Okay, sure.
English or Dangkul.
I think as far as the idea of nation part is concerned, I think why do we think that NPF is the only political organizations through which we can prove our Naga's identity. I mean, how come this idea exists in our society today? I really want to prove it to the people. I feel that NPF is one political organization in a democratic country like India, and vice versa, like other political organizations in India, including Congress. Okay.
Arwin na kahangji NPF na chita da claim ka sa leila.
Arwin claim sa je na kahangdala. Okay. That was the reason why I told you in the beginning. I'll come back to your points. Before that, I want to prove him that why should we think that NPF is the only political organization, regional political organizations or national political organization through which we can prove our identity. I mean, this is totally a misconception. I feel that way. Chi in a proof sangaye. Chena, the only difference between NPF and BJP is BJP is in the ruling, both in the center and the Manipur. And then NPF is one political organization predominantly constituted by Nagas, let's say. Tomorrow, if a Muslim from different states or Hindus from different states would like to be a part of NPF, don't you think that NPF will not welcome? Or are we going to decline them that you cannot be a part of these political organizations? In a democratic country, it system NPF no pol no NPF it naka na maturity na it wang NPF is one political organization existing in our region, advocating Naga cause. That's more than enough, nothing less, nothing more. for me. Hiba itum things ngai. Hiba anybody can. Nulla, you cannot be a permanent of NBF member tomorrow. That with the change of political climate, nulla shift side by let's not forget that. Number two. Coming back to your points, what did you say, Mr. Sorintan? I think the question can you repeat the questions? Yes, please.
Okay. Na atong jing han kar dom chuk bo yu chim lai gai le re.
Okay.
Hey thane question ba je. Itum no discussion ba hili na ba NPF ai na yur hi ngurum la ka otsai gi chu allegation accusation hi le le. Ka ara discussion hi jang ma man je na you're not necessarily NPF bang li ma ka to mani. Are independent candidate lang atan ngatom dale chandele for example ari sing dak le tu yar hi BJP candidate li ngatom dale kichi hi kharjani sa shok man dale ogda ara chu wang aina thaka khu NPF aina yur hi or yur hi NPF mang li ngatom ai kichi statement le dak le hi mushungra la kichi exane and then yurwi meeting right meeting na BJP li mok tom lak mani kichi hi statement hi le sarla jing han khang exane
jiba jivo I have that I did not see that the Yurwi right. Of course, it's hidden meaning. It's widely widely known by everyone, but unspoken by you, unspoken, and you also perhaps so.
He share your opinion. Don't drag me in here. Your opinion,
unspoken, of course. Hibahi atum lamayare, 100% for sure they will also gladly accept it. That atum otsami, but not by force. This time, fortunately, not by force. Jibajiva hangoge, ka atum convince sabai as far as possible. Hitase giji atum here architect aksa the design sangji otsangji jibajiva mobilization jo lay.
Okay. Force mazang
money. Mobilization. To be very honest, let's make it very clear now. He buy here akpan accuse sakang rock adamanimli itumbaba achu he even maisalagan he cry ever itumikidam now being the Zanghora, so not being the Zanghora, Jerica. How can we really go about with this in the near future? Now ADC is just standing at the door. He buy hili itum approaches him agenda. It will be understanding unless you understand the situations and the course.
Next round rase.
Okay.
Ari pa hi vai thadang han kang rogai laga.
Okay.
In the end,
okay.
Itum solution pangurup se.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the incident that out of many instances, I saw through WhatsApp on WhatsApp. Ishi achwana kahang dada. Abamakli kari taught me somewhere in the west. Hili actually the incident okay. That could be one incident out of hundreds or tens or 50. I still rule out that the election was conducted free and fair. I still rule out that idea. Election was not conducted. I mean, election was conducted not in free and fair mood or atmosphere. Rule out Sarah.
Rule out Sarah.
Reject Sarah.
That it was conducted free and fair. So your opinion is that election he free and fair maning money.
Yes.
So do you think? Okay. Do you think BJP did it free and fair?
BJP very much totally ambition. They did. They performed 200% free and fair.
Okay.
And
kipashina free and fair maksane no opinion.
See now, let me come to the point. When you are geek, see, when you are geek in a whole, let's say, even if you want to say many things, when you are being controlled by certain forces, for example, I'm just giving you an example.
Okay.
And when you are not permitted to say whatever you want to say, do you really think that? Don't you think that your birthright, the most?
All right. Ishi sangna direct sawai wajne. Party kibashi hina free and fair masam leji please say it. Party na.
No, free and fair. The election was very much hereby very much conducted free and fair on the part of BJP, not on the part of other political organizations.
Okay. So in your opinion, in your opinion, in this 12th Manipur State Legislative Assembly election,
yes,
only BJP did it free and fair. The rest, NPF, Congress, NPP, JDU, and all this, they did not.
No,
they did not perform it free and fair.
No. Election. When I say election was not conducted free and fair, means it all involves from 4 angles, right? And I don't do really Philippines what had exactly happened.
Okay. All right. No problem. All right. I want to come back to Kuira AC.
I do have my limitations.
Yeah. All right. All right. Okay. Personal choice. No problem. Kuira AC rising. Atang Kuira Korean Yowi Jilin response kasangai daklet. I want to give you the time for that. And then Arui ishi BJP spokesperson na hangai da BJP wa 200% free and fair side jera. Yeah. So do you buy to this statement? He hangai ko 100 lamaning na 200% kadlay. Yeah. Ara free and fair jikaba itum na taser dalay without right without any interference. We klada we mashunja and ihli sangai da vasanga khong jili hai saru hi ni sada hangai. Do you think BJP he paisa aina vote molom la kiji akang hangai 200% fair sai jomo vote molom la ji na akang hangai, and then muscle power machi chin la BJP boot capture masalak malak ji hangai, and then you may respond to your statement as well. Thank you.
Okay. I Supreme Court di or High Court di the ngapat kangrok thada wa chi wak ba ma wa gi ga atang ina gang bai he very much serious ya kajiba wa atang ina yu da hang da gre he against kasamaning ne ka itung ka tong ai yu saw gi da idung me future idung me command vision command core ba ji focus kasane yang kajiba wa I tangku nao naga nao ka saw gi da I yuri de shi gi chi ne yang yuri de shi yaw gi da I we ukdung ni mai ji da chu yaw gi da concern de yaw gi da hi ka hang ne I na wa BJP di no I ari de BJP ne tha sai ji na BJP di da NPF da by any political party akadi affiliation or leniency or kiga that's spending sangai mane gi ka sa ne Kivangra jika achu idungwe in the eyes of democracy. Kada mayang now being we might now being na atum critics being katem being kuchunga na idungwe krarba hidi. Yang idungwe kiashi gabaya idungwe avakra hidi. Ahi nation akawi determining mane. Ka section akawi determine the critics being na kabi kami idum na marang maragli sambang ejine. Kivangra jika Aji example yang se jika idum naga now being na kag by city thrane yang out of thra de the great 10 city we di panga ga ne jinna ji dai ga ahi mi gdong we leaders maning maneg ji hin proof sa we gjino India we election in sa gre da yang China India we election hidi wa inside the box hipa hidi wa itum election boycott gaji hi bai na political language na musung mai gaji sa ne ji yang ji dau gi da asama mi bing na komodu adam daran de ai ava issue we kher bai wa tang khai mang khui de ga tang khai wa anam khui de ga jiao de ji yang me aju ukrujang ni wa gutum sit gutum sambang ye yang ji gi da we India with democracy we prospect in analyze sa se jai ji ga mai ga dang bai na Katarna took my politics power atang hang rock hai ta the issue we political journey hi wa idumi isawo isa ingna meeting ding thisang kai ne mangna chiam kai ne movement ne de ga kai akhani gi ne chi the how gi the ogtui ne India ne recognize sa the greva awagra hi mi election ni mi joga sabeda or contractly and recommend mi sabeda case ana sathe da adi India ne recognize ka samaning ne jina ka movement ne de kre kada uniqueness of history kada political issue agenda de prunge hi naka we do short hi idumwe law and order issue meaning mane ka here political issue ne je ne political solution kuida phangre gi sau ki da aju to indict this yang self sovereignty na to kuida kre cha ga chui da kre je na I naga na ga sau ki da ji ajing ni matang sangai m nei shine yang yur jat ga dong na ga og thui ga dong na aju I dung naga we journey to short di yang da kre mi chung ga dei ji ne ji da au ki da mi ping na pai da ki na I dung mi kher bai di madui khang na ga da hi masang sak sei ga ji ji gang go ji yo ga khni di athang a ji di ponda chena in na ta da hang ngai ba wo thai kho itum BJP or any political party ga deva you di ma dei gi shine de gu khu hi yon ne gi ne wo yang iding chon mi do da wak bo ba hi na ma dei gi shine wo ka chang ko bo yang atum ba di India we election ni di na da chang se da rak wa ka ho bing ba hi na you di ma dei gi shine gi ne wo ka atum we sanctity ba hi chui da gi na leverage nation na ga na ak ne da kai atum di khya shi da mang khun ga sang ba chi respect le da ga hai ba ji na you di dei gi ne ga da ka jang kat you di ka tom ne gi ji itum na chi da san gui se gi ji san ne ji da issue we adang gang da mai so far election sak jang au da ups and down ni sa de of course apam kai kai di ba ka tan na so far you make na ka da itum na ka thei di ba itum ka pha rai ji ba BJP ba aju di ba ishi chingai di ka upru di ba itum ka pha rai ji ba itum rai de ki ji pai ba I esur sa ru sit ngai
What about in Pungyer li ba masa tu la
ai Pungyer
ari chi chingai no kroma hang
ya chingai Pungyer ka da ishi center yang hi ba itum ka pha rai ba rai de ki ji ba ji I da hang ru sit ngai
Pungyer hi mo phana sta ri je yang je mo phana lang re hai mong tha le mang jo gai sta le all right just kidding all right yes tada all right ning share opinion ari in tada viewers ping la panelists ping ari audience pam da clip li tada hangai whatever we're discussing here he personal interest, personal vendetta, aklam leimne, personal grudges, aklam leimne da hangmingai, and then itum nita discuss adakli. Itum society, itum yur, kada haksang raisang si iklagji, when a sadak leinegi, itum gotongali, he baptang sangai, he kipana personalize, itum panelists alunglila, hang rocks alla, don't take it personally, hiba, itum yari baptang, find the kungai go, and queer krioli jenny in he hang him talayatang prepares hadalewo, hangdakli, BJP na hangdang am talay ka pidad le ko aw he are really strong sa line show mraw we jena NPF free and fair masala atang kuira kringyo na ba free and fair sala kaina participate sa good strategy hu waina mai khya sang phang ne da la hangdale but issue we BJP colleagues being hilipam da panelists being na ba NPF free and fair sala election he participate sa re da accuse adale how would you like to respond to that kuira kringyo
in adang haora Elections hour ka tamri EVM na VVPAT check sayo consecutive check sara again and again ara EVM na VVPAT machine ji check sara ka ara election kang nai tamri sorry excuse me EVM na VVPAT check sara ka election ka nai ka ba mock test sign ode mock test jiri example ina MBF nam ka ba isi MBF we candidate we symbol har waung ra mi ba we amung ungjang na ko ung sok nda 44 we go jaram ning ung sok ra 43 we go jar le shu ung sok ra isi 45 we go jar ka sim ung sok na cha da test sara ka jikup sang shida area we political parties pingri wholesale origine national party regional party state Manipur state functions ada creeping
in a actual interrupt sao ge kring yole ara question ba le specific salai ning han gao se ishi atom teo ka limited sao re
ta chida ta sar ga ra jiri mathara ka na training mi na puring a chen bing ra kchi ka political party na unfair means season saga put capture sara da saga adang hang hai apps jina video live record sara ga chowa bai no kachikta political party na free and fair masadu re jai ga ba chipa complain da sang bai no ka MBF na sada kriba arwi candidate pingri candidate handbook tumio isi candidate pingri secretary ping na khnik tumsi paragam tharakaina highlight samijne whereas party gdeba jim tharakaina highlight samda candidate we handbook ri thakre jiga awi contesting constituency pingre visit sabaijinda ka voters pingri disrupt sabaijinda mthada mabam da ja da disrupt sa khail lewa party gdeba MBF we ri jim shok mo number 1 jena free and fair sai ga jiba ba legally myada gre jena isia mathara kaina kangreu strategy ra legally yang ga kasama ne jena adang hangda wara ina adang MBF we article 2 cross 2 a jri naka we tokri support sara da khang ji we cross c jri naka integration ni support sai da khang naka we rights idom we political interest we wang ning mi da khang no jena party ke na mungning ne isimang na ngning e da khang na mathim ne ka I party ke na ngning ma mathim ne honestly kagni sa da in hang ngai ba MBF ri naka na mungning chung go jang yo muslim ra jang yo MBF ri kada gre ji ga ba mai dei ra jang yo imphal we muslim ra jang yo kuki ra jang yo adam ji MBF we constitution ri frek we ya jing ne mya da ra jang se ri go jen MBF even naka we bak mam ni mugo whereas tribal manipur libam da tribal we bang kang no naka we ti shot he kup sang vai naka muning salla manipur muning salla punjab we mi support sa re ga ba tamil nadu we mi support sa re ga ba delhi we intellectual being support sa re ga ba ta adam na chi da ra ga jang mo jen adang khangora kachi da political party leader da aga ina ga shift sa bai ga ji ba je Socrates we like Proudhon ga pia ga lede Socrates ki wang sa da thau gra ji ga ba ana awi principle jri ngning ti de go na yon nai re da hang ro chi da ga narim sa da trim ra jin da political science ka dam na sa ga da ji we ka chan ti mai ga hang ge jim sa da trim ra jin da ka awi principle jri compromise sam no ga chin dang do ta MBF free ra da gripping hi your we issue m thara ga tai ga jak ga na ga we politics mthara kaina thai ka jak ra ra jang mi na chung mai chena kha da yu na indirectly election ni involve sa gra jin adam agri yu na idam nakana bi hi election ni mazang mra ga ja adam na le sai go yu hi election ni ra mazang nak ja adam na le sai go ka lu officially ga jang ba mning ra tek mai ga da in hi hang ko ba ge tek mai ga adam we interest idam alignment now ga MPF na yurwi indona ga pistokri support sa ga naka we integration ni support sa ga naka we wang ning mi ga tiongmai ka lenency ga soft corner claim no NSCN as a political NSCN as a freedom fighter aga sada adam officially MPF free support ka sa muning ne jiba jam thara ga clarify mi ge ne chena I we take with ga ba aju election him mathada sai re hiri tiongmai ga itam na improve sa ga area le lebam mai chira ra da ga adam ni
so in short NPF na free and fair sala ga na participate sai election li
yes
all right okay hine audience being viewers being NPF la BJP la Congress la NPP la JDU la hita shon re parties being he political parties being he they will always blame with one another, blame each other. Fear akwa shikla dawa isha 100%, akana 150%, akana 200% fear sai. Akshina ashima samu samje blame game will go on. Ka ine thada hange itum yaka itum migan theiser kipashina kisai ji theng rock share de le re Paulo Sha share de le re. Ida the blame game ngreod le ka do you think we'll progress? Do you think we will be able to develop our society? Ji itum questions ha say. Itum hi kipaka admit masaka mistake ngui gai admit masaka we will never learn. Ji hangai. Party representatives rather claiming levai thada hangai. You should admit that you have corrupted, you have not performed free and fair. Everyone is hangai. Admit sang sangai BJP no NPP no ishi pungyar kendra le Shiv Sena lava aka contest sai Shiv Sena la contest sai ashila admit half long re free and fair sam ne je paisa ina vote ko log chunga practice le ga proxy na sanghai chunga le ga all the parties must admit that they did not participate free and fairly in the 12th Manipur State Legislative Assembly election achui itumna discuss sadak le maram hi analyze sadak le khi gla jiga ma itum ngoira admit sadle kada da mushung wasi gla ji ye muchung sak ngai intumli itum hi proxy hi kada da minimize sasi or practice mas hasi kaji kharjan sang sangai discuss sang sangai itum muscle power shi chindak le money power shi chindak le hi itum kada da eradicate sasi gla ji national tom now hya khara da le viewers ko chung le de le matalain hang sing sangai panelist ping le example itum na kashali pre-poll ka sa kai ko polling station le vote akli ba ting phanga ting train loi ji de candidate ba ji paisa ka jiwan ra do public money crore mak spend sa kai ne candidate pa hi MLA ka sa lo ji la a paisa hi ka jiwan ba khwi ra they get only 2 crores per year in a year our constituency we local area development fund ka a ji la o sa vai de our income ning ka our tolo ba la ka kya khumra publicly la blame sa reva qwan paisa po je MLA li agents ming li qwan na you vote ko na ting pha mi lo da ba po ji laga MLA na odma ka sa arma paisa hiya ka spend out da a recoup ka sa vai le MLA ba odma samne chilira itum public na ne aju election hili shinao hili shichin laga pre now bing li shichin laga od mutum da ka chung ka sai da thei shai paisa hi women folks bina yawe gi jiwi allegation accusation ka chunga le ko athum ki kham samra gi jiwi ningchuk chang ka sai gi jiwi allegation le we should not do that shinao bing la 50% of the voters le you are giving equal contribution as the men folk same vote our he value right so don't blame the political parties. Don't blame the public alone. Don't blame the candidates. Don't blame the agents. We are all a part of this mistake.
Ukrainian forces giving a very tough fight, not giving up on Marinka. Top to the bottom to the top, middle Gita woman for industry.
Public church pastor ping, youth we katana ping, shna we katana ping. Itum got tongue we kaini. No one is holier than the other. Itum practice saga ili itum election li participate saga ili ina ali share sama the side ili malay samre. Itum got tongue we kaini. Itum got adam shubisi. Atang jagare EDC election rad laye. Anytime conduct sala paye. Parliamentary election rad laye. Itum kami thought ping li kama thana tam jithe. Itum na achu ili experience saga magapha ili reform saga isa. Now we'll come back to that. How do we reform? How do we change? Itum we election practice sa ka hili. Ara money game ngonai re. Mi ba hi kya ka our leadership quality le sala. Ahi visionary leader akang sa sala la. A paisa mak le wa election ma jang leng thure. Taka itum we hi paisa ka sing ping wang mang election sa kai la. Kaji itum we question sang rok pa re. The right candidates are not elected. Legislate ka sa ayin ka simli ma jang thure. Itum we khongwi ser ni. Jena, aku poksa deh. Kuirum silakong heli ngai. What are the steps we as a society itu mi tangkul nawa kesada itu mi saplung re itu mi tahu apong hili itu reforms hase election hili electoral politics hili focus salaga itu mi kata dengan cai kuran hi ketahui area hili hi ketahui hili hita seji appeal sa ngai lela personally particularized salain specific salain lah ngai lela group kai kali mi fully party li ngai lela jili specific salaga hili 4 minutes each make because this is very important. Please take your time.
Tui gai ji tui re ra the clay election track le fi ngai la kan le the clay ADC election MP election ra the le hilia itum mushung khui se ja hai kha itum na tui ga tam le practice sa hai ja khikla ja kha election sa re ja kha Dimapur li re pai ka jang ji khamushung wi bang ya ma tha da sa se hi tha se ki ji ba mning la itum na chang ma khau mi hai atum li laka now the blame je ari atum na blame je tong a cha dale hi tum yari wili la khyon ko chung khale atum li yon ngsak tak le ji itum mi sharuk thra wa longli yon ngsak tak le itum sharuk chi shet bai itum na yon ngsak hai re ji hangai ka pha chang khang a khalam le mne hi tha se ki ji hi mitra kham le mne ติเกตอิลิมิโลจิตาโลไปสายฮิมิเรฮิทาเรฮะฮิกหางไงเนอะอิทุมลีขี้หางรานี่ก็เลยมาที่นี่จังก็ทาเลยละจิกท่าจีอิทุมเดสักหังสักนี่ยาริวอีกคนนึกจุงเคลราทางอิโชโฮสนักขังท่าเดอิทุมเดมาสารานปอรันนี่มาปอมาหังจิเทรันนี่มาหังจิเทมาแล้วก็อิทุมเดช่องฟูจิงวยมีให้เดงวยว่าชุ่มไข่เนรุฮีแต่ฮิมุชุ่มคุยเสียใจก็อิทุมสารานจิซาเสียใจก็อิทุมจิลีอิลีจิตามิโลอิลีจิตาเดมิโลอิลีจิตาเดมิโลเดจังขังหิงซ้ำลงเลยชิมคุรมีชกเอาเดงสนเอาชาสาวเดงก็ไม่จิตเทมเดติเกจีอาทุมเนมีชกกิจิมันนิ่งมันเนจิสาละละอาทุมเนเฟเวอร์ซาละก็ข้าหังเจนะปาร์ตี้ว่าลงลีละ confusion ก็จุ่มก็เกิดซาดเลยฮีnational นั่นทุมยารอนงลาสาวกิดอาวาวาลิงฮันกิจอาตมเลอาวาวานะเฮ้ย national นะก็ใส่กระป๋องโลจิลไปเดอาเปรย์นังฮันก็น่าชินเอาเนขี้ก็ใส่กระป๋องโลก็ใส่กระจัดหังโลจิลไปเดยังก็ชีก็สารวียังเมียน้องน่ะมึงนิ่งก็ไปทำไรเรจิค่ะอาบาวุงราฮิละน้องลาวุงราลีอาเปรย์วุงราลีชิจินเดมันนิ่งจิกตาจะมาสั่งสักหรือเซ่อีทำ equal responsibility คุยละคนนี้ทอดละชินเอาปิงละชินเอาปิงลีอาริยาตมิตรานอดบกจุงกจังว่าชินเอานักษานี่ election อาตมลียองไตรกษัตริย์ละชินเอานักษานี่เมียน้องน่ะไม่ส่งไปมันนิ่งมองเอาเรื่องใจชินเอาลีก็สอสังเด็กซาสัดเลยชินเอาอีกคนคิดว่าเนี่ยอาริยงนามีเดเลยตาอาริชินเอาปิงคลิบไว้เลยอีทุมลีบจิงกุมพังอาอีทุมจานิกาคุมนิกาชีนิการิงนิกเลิกจิมักเทอปมดีปมตะคลินิทุมมาสารันว่ามาสักจิพาร์อินวอลมาสักรันจิมาสังสักเซมาชูเนนสักเซใจให้ค่ะก็ถ้าเดลไปสารมักติ้งมาสักกับไปอปมจิลีบติ้งเซทัลละลีทุมนะก็ชับนะตั้งเดเลยเด็กเลยวอเตอร์สปริงไว้เพลส์ฟิลสักละก็อาทุมบิงลีทุมคริสจันสักไปสักละก็อารีนเอาปกละก็อีทุมมาชงคุยละก็ไปสักยาวมีลีมีนะไปสักยาวเร่มีเร่จิเลละไอ้ยี่ไปสักมันนิ่งจังมันเนี่ยมาชูนั่นเอาช่างรกเซ่แล้วก็กางให้ไว้ที่ลีทุงเอาสักกลุ่มเซ่ก็จิไปคนนี้ทอด viewers ปิงลีที่ตาเดมีอาบุบอาจจะนึกถึงมีมะเกอชิกอะไรเลยมีมะเกอหินะมอบลายสักแล้วก็หังสเตลแล้วก็มีหังมาตีมอบลายสักคุยสิจิตตาเดมาทางอีทุมมาชงคุยแล้วก็ข้างเจ้าเขาบอกคุยเราสัวข้างเจ้ากี่ทีอาจจะช่วยให้จีจักชิลักให้เลยอีจักชิลักให้ได้ดังไง free and fair มันนิ่งลักมันเองกี่ละหังรอให้เลยมันนิ่งมันเองเขาจีน่าตั้งเขาเสมาชงคุยเสเขามาชงจีน่าอยู่เองเขาพกสักเสกจะไปหังไง
อินเชื่อเลยคุยเรื่องว่าศิลากองเฮลิอาทังอันน่ะก็หังเลยคนนี้ทอดที่อาคุยอาลงเลยEIE ให้น่ะคีราสาระก็จะเมนชั่นซะได้ก็อีที่ท่าได้หังไงคนนี้ทอดเป็นเลยว่าอีทุ่มวี enthusiasm ให้น่ะอีทุ่ม active สักเขาไม่เลยสักไปก็ครานาวเขาเว้ยเฮ้ยนั่นก็อย่า really อดรมุดสลายแล้วก็ I think you're one of the longest serving presidents of Tangkul Shinalong longest serving president เนี่ยก็สังก็อย่า really อดรมุดสลายมีใครเนี่ย particularly Shinalong เลย ADC member ละซาใส่เจน่ะ experience ก็จุงกันเลยแล้วก็ทั้งเม็ดก็จุงกันเลยแล้วก็อดรมุดสระกันก็แล้วอดรมุดสวาฟกิดกันเลยครนาวะกันเนี่ยก็แล้วครนาวตัวอีกทีว่าคิดว่า wise words ทั้งขมายตัวอีกก็จุงกับหังมีแค่นี้ทุกคนที่ทบมาก็จุงกับตรงกับคุยสัมพงศ์ก็จุงกับท่าไลน์หังมีเรื่องนิ่งเชียอะไรนะก็คนนี้ซะได้คุยเรื่อง AC Rising เลยอาตมหิมิงไงเดเลยนาวีเทก็คุยลีละอาทั้งวีyes, are we here? Same questions ne for everyone. Itum ik kat hada mushung kuisi, kat hada ngajaisi, ngajairan je khima mai leili. Itum kat hada kejuan hapok da kejiji. No we opinion nanti omai kathai ngai. Are we here? Ba here? Here we question on here. Kipa ka blame sang roka se. Let's just move forward. Because kejuan am doing roka se.
Mathara kaya question ne itum party we prospect pamaning na konutot itum bing kata ada ima dangkru ima euro kata ada sem kasik de gichiwi party tada itum focus ase musunge adang isi host na gangyang the itum katonga konutot aga sada reformation change kaji hining sang the he kuida se jaiga aju sokai itum na ning saju mai tu jadang in the first iwe opening ni mag di gangyang that the war some may do ye couldn't thought being wrong juxi may do ye ata yausang guy negin yang jina ata wo yausang hai de ata ji makar song sak de itum sasat miao se ji bai I couldn't thought itum katong adi the bongai ji yang the MLA we local development fund he 2,50,000 Tiger 5 years are we 5 years are we 12 crore 50 lakhs. Yeah? Whereas our election lever 15 crore 20 crores invest sang bok ni. Chidai ka anamoshun ka jiri sa sabura. Kaya idung may representative hima matha mane giji idung ka dada hangura. Chiao gi da kangajay giji idung candidate mang maning da idung water spin. Yeah? Idung may democracy we kamata gajiji yang prime minister idung may modi na nai na ini we woti aka right size whatever mang min na jid na hi chid haugi da idung may moral values pa hi idung achu tangro ima dangri kazang ka chakshi kazang egji achu we di thekui kajiba wa maite nau bingwa atum hui hi election candidate we di ware jai ka khamasai na ma wanglok sidi Avung rabing na atung may kopok na bay sam na bay mote na kamay te na kadede kuiwa ming roki jid na. Yaro na bing na ting kamang na ting pangamang na da kuiwa mi jid na hi. Ajuku mamate di ka kare ba we 11 Manipur legislative election hidi ba itung ka tong na tam kui bay may te na karam sam da kare di Kevin BDO minister sa sayang. Awi hi subject to election ne 26 lakhs siga I exact jiang ji mayon saga 26 lakhs hi adi ya ribing na pesa kuira kami hi tai haugi da iwi pesa maning mane hi election na tum na kuira kami pesa ne jin 26 lakhs hi local development fund hi di he sang ause da ya ribing we kam ya kuira sang mi ga hai no ta ga kiwang na awi consensus ji ma de sang rek rek jin na hi ka achu idung me hiwa tada pesa da atang itum na kahang da kazangkat mi bajina kazangkat wa legislature gaji hiwa lawmaker na jina ka lawmaker law ka semre ji mahang da sang da krinda yang itum me jena right candidate right person ka right political party gaji itum taragina yang kwiriga candidate bajiri achu itum do pathara greba na pathara ba kami yang sam greba na sam wa kami yang copy greba na copy wa kami higitha we khangzai ba hi itum sa daga rara da grewe election hi wa ADC da ba ye MP we da ba ye MLA we da ba ye kazang khat candidate ba we election mang sa da bibers election sang sak phung sai ke ji hi hangai hening sing
Okay, ning share kuira AC rising li matalaga na machan sang mere arui mention ka sasle kapata point yari we election ka sang sak sai ji yari na like arui candidates bing li kada hada John pa ai ji itu muchuk ser sai kuira ning chu shat sang na wi atam khui milo arui same question ne itum kada hada musung gui laga itum kada hada manga jat wasi itum society li khidar kar samai tu dilai kada hada itum chei phok si ji please and share samilo 4 minutes
dictionary in Hungary, Kaligada Pesa Yauda Saka, if in case at all money was circulated during the election. Now let us judge who is the giver, who is the taker, and a bargainer. Voters, as voters, we were the takers, we were the bargainers. And why should we blame the candidates? The buck stops there. We literally invite them to get involved in the politics. If we are to bring transformation in the political system, in the process, 5 years down the line, Adam Naire and NDC, as I have told you in the beginning, our NDC is just standing at the door. Rather than Adam we understanding, it we approach Musunghosi. It we approach Musunghosi jika Kuvaini Baili itum sure. Why should we give vote to this particular person, and why should we vote for this political party? When somebody asks this kind of questions to a particular person from particular party, that particular person is to be in a position to answer to give proper answer. I feel that today, you as BJP spokesperson in Ukhrul district, I am very much in a position to give that proper answer to the youths. Number one, let's keep aside our naga political issue and a bistalk. Our issue framework la BJP na deal sadak lene BJP in issue NBF understanding later lene as far as even magthe ag later. Even magthe ag later lebava. Are we in the BJP government among the both at the center and in Manipur, stately. He tiger, it to me, kitchen, it to me, are he, kitchen political party, it to me, Yurung Ara in a hungry, not only, it we have already elected the 3 NPF candidates representing our opinion.
Okay. Arrange party campaign. Masali say.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. No. Jiba jimaning la itu practices probably focus house Aribahiba.
Okay. This is okay.
Thank you.
This is in the business of political affairs. Just a purely issue we contain so many affairs magning also. Okay, fine. The Masungho say if Knutot Aksada itum bing the law ava bing the unhang matin say. I think in the beginning I have categorically said in my statement who is the taker, who is the giver, and who is the bargainer. We are involved. Idum corruption first involved sakaine hogpokli, and when a person is coming to your home, you are nana bargain sadak lane mi bazli the corruption link kun kasang ne main salagaine if there is anybody including Mr. Sorindan thinks that candidates who contested last elections, every candidate was involved in corruptions. And if I assume that they all have been involved in the politics, and if you think that they all have been involved in corruptions, I mean, no irresponsible side admit from the core of our hearts. Chithaiga idum the shimli ungsarlaga avu ava sabaika idum the kuvain the hibali mirror idum paptag zagailaga instead of lubak diano milo increase salo from 2,000 to 3,000 per vote kiji liver as hibai hili idum the kasoga idum mirin hitara hibai hili that waka idum mirin hitata idum livelihood improve saura idum healthcare improve saura education system improve saura itumi ringfai ita the means ita the layhaura itumi really the development raura chena sabai gova isawa including you and I hibai avoid south negative decently ngning ngai you are all graduate students. Tomorrow you will start playing a very important role in the politics, Manipur electoral politics or our district local level politics. The same. Migamo he cycle sang rock the lane.
1 minute.
Okay. Migamo kila sang rock ne, and I feel that our time has come. Your time has come, and you are the sole responsible of your own future. Here, nobody will come and speak on my behalf of my future, vice versa. So you will have to speak for yourself and stand for yourself and stand for your future. Okay.
Thank you so much, Kuira Achui Shatsang. Are we hang hai bing hi? Ning muyung la kai na uglungai na hang ser dak lai ne da khui. Itu tangkul society wang paning milaga khani thot ping wang paning milaga chung kaning shi ring pai ari next speaker na tam khirang kai thada kha request sau kai ari audience ra jang da claiming if you have any questions ishi ku hi round ni ku pai laga public interaction le re if you have any questions please be prepared ari ling han khawai kala audience viewers being online yang da claiming na la no thum na questions ngahan khai shi panelism ti ling han khai le ka wa ari na na thum na ka pisang pai re comment section li ji but it should be mature sala ka high question ngahan khangi question ngahan milo makhani ning sanga jain la entertainment sa mimra ji hang ngai ne khana wa da ari hui same question same topic liquira karing yoshimra nali atam hi mingai de le achu election hili kathum constituency kathum li ka he NPF ne you have a big responsibility kala ari free and fair masala kai jiwi allegation the lere so ara thui gai ji usually ki tam kui bai kala itum how do we move on gaji bajli na teo convention samyolo
okay ni share jo tam ko mi ba ari ibava free and fair election sai gaji resistance of the green I don't still admit that we have done unfair means or capturing both this and that je baji ari indang da accept masarangi jiga law university ro the madam ni law background ni kra kuchung of evidence kuira ro ji no evidence idi kuira ro isi party corruption sai jiga ba isi party unfair means sai put capture sai liquor means hi shi jiga evidence kuira ro kuira da gre evidence ji idam ba cross check sa foyo cross examine sa foyo ara facts ji evidence cross examine sa ga mushungai ga ba jibaje idum accept sa jira jibaje rectify sa ge
jibaje mushungai in interrupt sa re jibaje let's move on from there jibaje ishi nganang shona re chimi arui gazing thangle lamo kumare nganing ti chonai ka so in one way or another we might have kajen house and then personal opinion le had no we opinion le fair salaga in side no problem at all jiji yaruina we take a so let's move on from there. In general, not necessarily your party, NPF, we tangkul in general, how do we reform? Actually, 3-4 minutes.
Okay. Jena, Adam, we continue Saragaway. Ari election hits now go the item Nagatene, society. Jena party with perspective free, party with Stanley, Kayon Nisaga, Mushungiran Nisagava. Ada open ni tangko na sire open ni hang miro rectify sa pai like party will lever in rectify sa ge jipaji district election jasha ga sada district general secretary aga sada idum level le sak pai idum sa ge number 1 number 2 ba na ba election contest sada gre political party we candidate ping ki ba ga paisa mu shok mai ne hang rak se ji ka ba election adamri ma awi election paira jaw ga mi za mi gmang tada magre na pingni kung ka wa wi khari para shok mi hi shokran changnan ba leibroi ka open ni tada vote share sa da gre vote pai sa da gre hi we practice jang hi am sang sak ngai bune hi ba hi specific sara ga na political party a piri khangmuni umgo ka idum mo society ri face sa da gre 지가 이 마샤라 experience 아이고 그직다 봤죠 가이 살레 듬리 못해 이름네 이듬 뭐 पैसा 그 미바지 상나 오픈리 못육 set 밀레 기바히바 기바지 이듬 나가다 소프 사식라 지가 봐 이듬 뭐이 society 리범더 그레 intellectuals 빙히 똑락이나 검죽들 가세 히바히바 액션 플랜 레이기지네 액션 플랜 레라 이듬 나히 나 제이구시 그지구이 다다 speech runno workshop runno seminar runno symposium runno sat sala jibaje jaga effective samra da ye shan koi hibahi mushungui si jaiga idum Christian state ne religious leader ping na involve ka sadar ka sai hiri na exam bara ka sada hange 44 ukruli keke leadership ni tui polling station ni mathara khaya ka practice sada aju election hiri जिकता दा सागरे जिको पूरा फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन सासे एब्सेंटिस लमनम से ही proxim सासे पुट कैप्चर में सासे जावगदा आशी जी वी तांग वी कथा न पिंग तांग रि यूथ न वॉलंटियर्स पमिरगा पूरा ट्रांसपेरेंसी लेरा केना पूरा फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन प्रैक्टिस सायो tang ji we na tang gun na tam kui pa ya kan le ina thai kui tha ka ba kana gre ji ka ba election ji ching ri ye na ba kop sang ji ne highest ji ba BJP na khuyao yi oja samdai na second ba je MPF ne third ji congress ne ka ji kon ka zarm lem ne put capture sara proxy sara ka jim le rak ne ching ri ye na kop sang e ku kup tam ni ra se ha sara ko kop sang jin da we jina tangor society na thada from small step kam tha ga practice sa da gri pouring station ji we na idum na tam gui pai shu gui pai le ga ba shu gui ser se cho tam gui ser se cho Mizoram ka da re Nagaland ka da re khiwang religious leader ping na spearhead sa ga free and fair election ni bang campaign za do whereas idum we abam river religious leader ping jim sa bai dura idum na Christian state Nigeria ka non-Christian being leader Macau made it a degree. Tata Tanguna being he na Taragani Yankava, step back Saraga Yang Adam Taran, scheme oriented Sanago. Tata opportunistic Sanaja. No way, Adam in a Kandara, is in a campaign why you should exercise your adult friends, your voting rights, Kadada Kiva, exercise Saraga Gigi Hango. No way, vote yours, Aigava, Adam Kandara, Emerewe Koda. MLA we share, minister we share, MP we share. Kachungarada to you. Chikaji na hopok, Chigana in a vote your Zina corruption Gigi hopok no. China, the ship in a danga, corruption Masang succeed. Hipa, common responsibility. Idum Kotongan.
1 minute.
Idum cycle and the yearly cycle and the candidates and no political party being sang say, masses sang say, Idum Kotona. Hipa rectifies us say, Himum Shundure, Jiagava. We know our interests better than anyone else. Even the Himum Shundure rectifies us, you can say, he command responsibility in the Kui. In Shiragajo.
Okay. Ning share issue Kiyashi Kangiva panelist Shimatika, Tongoli Kutunga Ning Shimidale, you have spoken it heart and soul. Tanku now being Wang, Yuruhaksang Sankavang, then Tumna, Matalagan, and Machansang Mere. Already audience being questions open sadly, not to wing a jaili, Gachigatana, doubts clarify Sakangai, or Teva Kangai lately, cover. Please raise your hand. Microphone mirror and to the questions in Hanmilo, Kipaling Hangai, direct Samilo, Talagan Hankamire. Kala viewers, online viewers, Pingala, questions in Hanmi Pire, Atom Middle in Tumli. Anyone? Interaction Matamai ring Pamai Kwaiwang, no way aming. Kala. Nana Katela Hangai Gava, na Kisad Lake, Kitam the Lay, or Naki constituency when Clutch Mangela Kahamiolo, and then Kipali direct Sangai question. Thank you.
Okay, you are Mingna, Shai Horam, Iari, Political Science Department, 6th semester Sadley, Inang Hanhai Banava,
St.
Joseph College, Ukru. Manipur election, Gajida boot capture his hajing the lazy, as in the Kremlin Malera the Kui. Jena he. Election Commission of India na miyang sang mitujika mathai thujika koitum na approach samij do gujbaji terming sangai kala gakhnyak sada election candidate gchung khana open platform hi hangjing debate sangai ka thran kala kipaji long naw na samir kala gujbaji na thumai ka phaning la hangmi lo gujbaji kipakli question by throw samne ka kajik tha hanang hangam mi lo gujbaji hangai dle joni shesh.
Okay. Arijima, actually the question can you actually repeat Samuel the first and second?
Okay.
First part clear sala. Jojo, take a second.
If second question by he candidate Junkana open debate sangai the hang election rarang ka yaruina mashun kuji take fight the hang. Ka he katran gala kipana kat kilong na samir nikla jang baji hangming sangai in share.
Second in the lang hankar first in only privilege me okay please any one of you ka hipa not to prolong it we'll make it short and crisp 2 minutes li lang the mokwing rock answer sa kai aru 18 to
the sorgate nang hankau ge aru wi khonu dot akwi akhonji the murung ding now with the question ka sane the kui yang the he chief election commission ka thema ga dei jiba atang ina gang da yang the representative of People X, yeah. He di katong he da the conduct sare ki katong le gai nei corruption nei free and fair election maning tu jigzane yang chi da how gi da hi ara itum chief election commission na itum ning che mi gi ji maning tu re no we future hi kada mai de na mayang na kan nan na ina khang je hi dar ga sai je na masun ji wang itum free and fair election sa kwai free and fair election ji ga masar power hi ma dai kwai kada bai sa ka tha di ma zat da itum khamusunga right candidate chi itum ka banga kwai gi ji we akon ni khanu tot akawi with wow soki maning ga hi itum mang je dar mare gi ji hi da sira ke na ngai ka khini we point ba ji ba host partner ngan ka no chingai chai ba bom de de
nó thuần lần hắn khai hàng còn in lần hắn cả rồi được hàng mình yes
first part of adang hang aura hi repeat sada hang wi ke hi important sai election commissioner of India na election sa ora ji ga ba code of conduct to show go kadam na ping na thei gi je code of conduct puk chi passer gi ne chiri ko tong ozang miawi put capture ga sa hi radang hang da asiwi apps je na record sara ga va mi ba je disqualified sara sada gripping je 5 years chair jang no chen hi ba hi legal limam ya mane sada gripping ji na muchi teira tada pectorally sada green chen ji ba je practice sa bung gi ne question number 2 na hang da gripa je open debate ka ji ne open debate pa hi ba changka da candidate ping na mai sagava news channel ping na example oja sorindan hauri we talk show da hi debate sa bai jine jena candidate ping na willing musagava hi ba hi sakra ge atum reforce ram sa bai nei ka western countries with hada develop saraga hada qualified saraga na radang rok rok kji jaw ideas propagate sa shap advocate sa shap nok ka yo idum ba jining jang da kjang kat ba 이름 뭐 context 항하고 이름 바시라 이시 youth exact가 이름나 suggest 사이죠 candidate 이시 우리 아시 다이라게나 미미티 레이더 그리네 아시 사이콜로지 데이트 아가 픽스 하우스에 저 expenditure 지 이름나 봉미게죠 이시 social workers 빙네죠 그러니까 디베이트 상석심 다음에 뒤기지 바리 성능 누그진다 그러니까 그직다 candidate willing 무삼나 음속가임노 전지 바지바 사라지가 뉴스 제전을 사바이 society will long way thana ping na CSOs ping na sabai ni share jo
okay thank you one line all right
I speak very fast just in one line
no coming out of Saula yes
hello election I don't agree that the election was conducted free and fair. Election was not conducted free and fair if, as a result of People Alliance,
no.
If
good actually our question banava free and fair masala sada legi thai legava election commissioner of India na kika action mo
I'm replying you. I mean that my answer is going to reply to many people. If the election was not conducted free and fair as a result of People Alliance. This is a clear message to our friends. If that happened as a result of People Alliance, that was the last nail in the coffin for PGP candidates in Ukhrul district, number one. And secondly, I want to reply, actually, he gave a story of Socrates.
No,
this is going to be the last
story. No. Ari jiwa question hanga yin jiu ba ji yes ashama ishi ngzek na ro jiu ba ji ari wa reply sa khong ro I mean ishi panelist kla the time is up for that. Yeah, we will have that opportunity later. This is a public interaction round. Thank you so much for the participation. Anyone else question raise sa ngai le ka ba? Oh yeah, number 2 we clear some if okay. Yes, while you think about the question. Hine. Sure, okay. 1 minute.
Are we question kakniya jili? No, question kreba jili. Election Commission of India never kika masarar jila action mukhi jila mukhirar jila jimning la okay thay lela reply athumli hi thai re gijimale kha masamra ta hangai jang isi akhana panelist akhana kha hi masa ka pai makasa je khikla jaka apama khali boot capture sai re jaka simple sala khane boot capture ka samning te ha Kacangkat bayi thumi hi secret ballot, na, or khanam jila khipa kamathegi jini iwi freedom ni chiba, kharu honi thuma tam liba, mina jili mayon na ganam ngusak tak lide, ha? Ilian dangda avu ayi ilian dangda pangli kucing la ganam mira ta sadale kha, na thum kutha kuthe te nolyo kutharu to, ha? Mathi vamrak jana, jiwang na, jikhiwang na masarar jikla jikha complain malay ngasak chidala. Masungda ka saba maning chi ka complain masang sakchi complain sa ga na pam salo chege jidala chi khibana kla jikha village authority te na salapai youth ping la involve sa de chili ramjui ramang sa da iramli chalo village authority na certain particular candidate a khale favor sa laga chai ka iram tuen na sa ka pam salo na thumle hang kham na ngai ore ka sa ka pam salo na mom ti lo jo chai ka upai male na jana complain male tu Iram dia shock. Candidate pacina, candidate aku nara laga teragram tu jana, jiwa presiding officer na ali hangi. Na hili sang na dam bapam lo. If you are elected, mi khibana nali respect saragla in this condition da ali hang mi. Mukyak na do candidate ji. Huh? Khibangla ja anasadak le ji kham shumning ne. But atum ji khi khapang shamle tu ji. Khibangla ja atum le la chili. Under certain jurists, layout complaint maksa.
Okay, ning share. Yeah, Ariji answer clear samido. All right, question clear sami. All right, Ari number 2 is in a hangmige. Candidates katong na open debate welcome say I think that's wrong. No, nali hangser kam thay tu reka itumne. Ishi channel na candidates being a process say come out and speak. Yaru ili nawi vision, nawi opinion, na sak ngai. Na kiwang yaru ili sheba sangai wala jije hang jitelu. Day tu nak chong share process. In an interview quick hai bing ji ngalang da khamya a kalama zang mane hang lui jilaga. And then jiwa just a mere interview, not even a debate yet. Debate sauce jile candidate me akana I'm ready for debate. I'm ready to debate with my fellow candidates. Akala mate mishamane mahangmane. Itumwi representatives being jikta I mean intending candidates no karelaga or candidates me. Jikta da kahang well willingly kahakla mazangne. Intending candidates kai kanava yes I'm willing to give an interview the hankralang avabome. Intending candidates in a kokuiji intending atamwine. Kai kava questions la pore de. That's the kind of leaders we have. Questions pore. They are not ready to be asked. Leadership quality lega I mean, we team thang ba jurong han ka ba share de han ka share ni ka team jili yang ne kai ka question mi ka mong han remra interview mo samra kai ka how pog na naili hiping mong han lo hing han ka mo samra ko ka jila shok la jong le de itumi candidates ming ji thada le da we must be aware of it jena next election liver yeah aka in a mention sanga in an interview ko khoi bi introductory round ne acha ko mu je introduction mang mane just simple questions kang han mane ka jang katwa candidates being party tickets confirm sa ga chili mathamai da thuk mai da sara da election but pa ka tamma mi mane atamma mi mane oh yes ticket wow shok hai except kuira Alfred Kangam Arthur among interview ko khui sampang I leave intending candidates saksa tam mokwimda party ticket sampang hai tili wow shok hai among ko khui sampang jena if we are interested in the upcoming elections ADC lirino parliamentary lirino 2027 lirino itum public na pressure sa gi nei ta hiba public na pressure sa ka ba atum ji interview mi sere but itum ba na ai mi lek sa le silent ba mai ka mami lak mare ichi hang sanga ichi mchan sanga because in a jiwi initiative ko gi da ka hang sa ne anyone questions malai de line tum le ka dai yeah sure ali mic ja si pasam yo
simple salah kai question it direct question ni mau ita isi tangkul li ita muscle power or money power hi macang la election ning ka bai hopi ma le le da ita itum youth ak sa ta itum future wang ita han ngai
that kipaling han ngai no ji any specific panelists
basic salah mau ita future wang da line of mind ita share some
atum hi line up when murder ni klo line up wa shik jin panelist ak lo jang ni
politics river line up ring han garo ji he courtroom li yes or no ma ari kisadam sa pa gida very much possible ji ba je sa pa kiwi wang kiwi wang sa pa gi ne mi ba hin na wholeheartedly his heart and mind, heart and soul, yuri wang, interlagina, Mashung Ragina, Otram with Tira Jagava, Manipur Mzanakra, Masarpur Mzanakra, Saragaji candidate, Arura, PM the Green. American did it Sangai, ADC candidate Sangai, Ka to Mshung Rikin and Sagaji candidate Kutungum the Green. Because society in a corrupt son, Augada, a chamber in Aksada hang away, Papta by Mike. Oja sport vashum. He pays some nakra, Kumshungina, Mata Saki the hang. Whereas Knik Dumshing by Salamaka by we, condition in a leo. China, at the end of the day, Arimia Raksala, our policy, G society, applicable Sarah, them re question ka hugly, you know. China, very much Chipaja Sabaika practically applicable Masarang, Aria. Exactly, other way, closing remark me knocked the bridge. See that the Sabai Vagata Sido, kick up me from Rockney.
Thank you. Yes. Katain lang hanggang ay laro je. Okay. Wait.
I don't know election the Raksowi example. I mean that's a very classic example that happened in the last 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election at Garong. That particular candidate used to be one of the executive members of ETSM. Ahil Sasajin, the Ajonang Ali, the Bashi, Mating Minishko, in the Pauk Sadi, ETSM president, and Ilihange, and Handa Levi, Ali Yarul, Ali Pesa de Kiramij, Yarwin, Jena, hearing Pana, which they, that can really possible. That can really possible even in our Ukur district. Only when you and I are ready to change.
Yeah, that's the bottom line. Yeah.
Can we talk with Akoni Sagragina Kui that you will bring me the Firisabame? Achu Katsat Power he that the Yarikatong and a Taigano Sagani, young Kazati Kataga Paragra. Kazalhi dada gazada gray kazine jina. Chiawi the Huey remedies he ari itum kisai sigre jaika number 1 itum gatonga konuitot akona gazada itum by candidate the itum katadang John Sigre candidate when a mokuida gazi pesa we are bondichi the age. Kakinya de Moser Bower Vijaika itum konuitot ping young Yuri legacy gazi he young. He covered the nubs at the condition Gasai, Huey Kurter, he itum herda from the Yuri Lake she is he was Asian so gaining, young Ukrundi subtitawine, nationalism, young Hibahi itum covered the nub correct ping hina, Yuri the shik medada, Aju itum meditate ne, China, Aju itum conuito ping were. Yuri they see in the name of you we aming honaga ngadang gapay you we aming you we support we say there masam bangka election majangra mara business masara mara gajibing he qualified masagi no yeah ka you we aming masing the Mr. Rising in a you we aming tech mating secretary he idum kunitot winning zangi no yeah ka you profession Iwi outside grey, Iwi hina, Yudi Mingtang ding sagre, got a Yuruwang or drum tura, got a Ravang or drum tura, gaji, Iwi profession, you know, whether we got a Yuri aming ding sagre gaji, mi hi ma tang na ga hai no wo jiao ga da aju khnui dot I dum bing lei ma mang di rawe aming ma sing se lei ma mang di yurwe aming ma sing se I dum next hi ta we practice I dum hi ta her dai ga krat da di ka jihan self confidence ka self reliance ka krat da winning panin ji ma sung da ge ne I dum ka chi vu you the odram gatura you the sepasada you way your gaza you the aming ngakum daga or masam re gaji koni dot I dumbing he ning di updungi sabdat chi sab sangau se chita ai ka idum possible sa ye coming rara the upcoming election bing di ba idum without muscle power money power majang da idum election jang bai re gaji he idum hopefully idum katong achi ngarai se ga chiwang idum otsa se
Okay, ning share. Ina ka machan sang mi gay. You say ko you personal experience le arujli. Elected representatives being intending candidates being le chief guest mo holo, guest of honor mo holo. Laga 50,000 rami eh kanga zin ning ka tiao ji. Laga ka rami lakni hiba hiba ji. Is that how we elect our candidate? China qualification la criteria la. Elected representative, I mean, MLA aga sagi easy way. Public representative aga sagi easy way. Chief guest holaga anan tumli khira hangura awen tamgui bai khilai. Itum jim chukre day. Chief guest program li go hoye. Yeah. Chief guest aga jali paisa chaga ka tingji aga jiwen khura. Example. VIP culture hi tangsak lo. Tangsak ngai. VIP culture khle na itum hi shoida khle ni. VIP culture ima laying saksay. MLA ka intending candidate ka candidate raki da khajili paisa kya ka ting candidate pa chuwi awi team ji paisa kya ka ting itum hi tiaw ma higita hi tiaw ka itum hi minimize sang sangai youth ping more let's gather more information. Let us be more aware of the situation. Let us participate more actively in the electoral politics. Election kasa atamangli arui vote kasa atamangli itumi mom tukso. 5 years that baki dakle hi itumli role ko jungkale de. Hili information gather thalai sa say MLA pingjili accountable sang saki jinna inanewa. Pressure migi jinna inane. Arui money power mazang lagji ji inachi mention sangene. Chief guest mo holo dar karmani. Case of honor mo holaklo groups hem guilaga jo ishi year now it had le hi mi ga inali sango go ji hi tha ji masa so itum youth uli chung kale itum youth pingli use and throw ta da shi chin da le de election atam le cho lu thum khuni thor ping sagis kho ja ga ak cha khlam de ture kali chat mai ser le da jena money power le ye ta da hangai itum hi tyo mo me sa mini mai sa pa ye. All right, next question quiz. Anyone? Okay, muchuk mo mandalay laga hili online na rada clay hi inang han sa okay. Firstly, Mr. Samuel Shangray na akay tadang handalay NPF and NSNIM with alignment question mark sang dalay. Is NPF a political party functioning within the Indian Constitution or is it an insurgency organization? The handalay. I think Kuira Karing Yoshima has clearly answered earlier. Jiba jibi ishi atomok le shi ichi kiklo masangay limne. Atoma mileka akabahi youth confessions na itadang hanle while awina rephrase sami okay the campaign was on the BJP was blamed as a Hindutva, the BJP was blamed as persecuting the minorities. NPF addressed your issue. Now the NPF is with the BJP government. Is this hypocrisy or is this NPF policy? Guru Yoshima, I think you'd be the best person to answer this question.
Question ji wang ni share hi ba ya dang speech ri ko vor sa khene. NSCN hi national movement spearhead sadagri organization na
second, sorry to interrupt. Second question bajing hangaus are first bajing na clear sami ratang. Jen jipa maning la ara BJP and NPF government khongum ba hi.
Okay. Ai jipa ji hi da jne. Arui isina MPF political party regional political party a ka sada luring ri changra mujang mara ka jipa ji issue policy ni jipa ji ba. Ka isina yurwi issue campaign ri isi kai ka ba yuri issue isi na him tu ra hida ta sar ga ji wi ji ba BJP ri correlation sam sa sal la sa prong gi ne correlation ka sa hi hida ji ne hi mi chung ka na phap ma da ji ne correlation ka sa hi BJP na MBF correlation ka sa hi BJP na ra MBF ri respect sa ran no MBF na ra BJP ri respect sa se hi pa hi win-win policy no 지가 BJP나 MBF correlation 사가봐 아시히 administrative system improve 라기지 governance improve 라기지 law and orderly improve 라기지 chances 레지네 머니푸르 context 리바 지나 아시나 사가이나 아지르 이시바 히다즈네 이시리 minister 아가 미에레 아르이라 아가 negotiate 사다 그러니 제나 이시나 항다 그리바바 아이 이시에 루링 님무정게 outside the sport ripam gay jinda isi arira during rizang game ning
Mike yeah ne replace
jina isiwi angle li waja da le da green jina isina election campaign hanghai bingje saran sabrong gijne isiba whether we have correlation with the BJP or not isina saran isin sak ni sabrong ka in the meantime BJP we interest ki gra jiba je idamra respect sak by area river sara jena arira minister aga miere aga mami ga outside the sport ripam rgji decision nei da greni MBF party ba jena hiri hypocrisy hi mjira hipa he policy medane.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Arui hili kuir achui shat sang lila kharadle Mr. David Lane. All right, Mr. Ning Chui says ongoing Naga talk is with BJP. I think the talk is known as Indo-Naga talk between the two governments. Is he trying to reduce the talks to a political party? How will he justify his statement? In a Pashom Dishitke, Mr. Ningchui says ongoing Naga talk is with BJP, with the BJP. I think the talk, our opinion, I think the talk is known as Indo-Naga talk between two governments. So is he trying to reduce the talks to political party? How will he justify his statement?
Thank you so much, David. Thank you so much, Mr. David, for the good questions. In my statement, when I say Naga Peace talk is in the hands of BJP government at the center, doesn't mean that my statement will dilute the importance of our peace talk, nor it will push to the edge from the main center. Nothing like that. When I said BJP is playing a very important role as far as the Naga Peace talk is concerned, why? Because BJP government, BJP leadership was at the center when ceasefire was signed for the first time with NSN-IM. Remember that. And at the same time, that happened during Vajpayee. And at this time in 2014, as soon as BJP came to power at the center, in 2014, perhaps the framework was signed between NSN-IM and BJP government at the center. This implies that the BJP is playing a very, very crucial role. And BJP is one political party that can really bring solution to our problem. This much, nothing more, nothing less. This much, this is my understanding, yes. And I feel this way. Thank you. Surely, BJP will 100% bring solutions to the problem of Naga Peace talk.
Okay, thank you so much. Last question, sao say hui pogari issue healing han hai leila. All right, taka online question last sada here. I think this is for the three gentlemen, from Mr. Ramsem Aungshi. I wonder How is NPF with BJP after many controversial among the two parties? The party blames the other and vice versa. They are together again. What is going on? Hang rog pen rog ay laga nanda singurum da lay jera. Ya ara nani siu kam taka hang rogolo. So one liner each, three of you.
BJP na MPF iwa politics na. In politics, there is no permanent friend and there is no permanent foe.
Correct, right?
Siyaw kada.
Yes.
BJP na MPF ay common enemy hi Congress na ko. BJP na MPF ay common enemy hi other political parties na ko. Inising rumda kada da Manipur state way governance system mathasang saksido. Inising rumda kada da development kuirasido gujiji. Jiwi area jiri inising rumo. Jenang rum ko by portion ni inising rum mane. Hiba. Whereas initially ideology va they hang rogra. Isi party wa ideology le isi party wa constitution le he MPF wa constitution le MPF wa constitution le na BJP wa constitution na they hang agenda. Sida sala aga major respect le go. Major understanding le correlation forms are government runs ha da green. Ni shared.
All right. One of you. BJP when la ka hang bi para da kui. Okay.
Arudui hi PCB na NBF officer the political alliance ne under NTA current we are seeing the state government of Manipur le itum ngudum babam the ne ka atang ina ari question baz ne itum mai ne itum nganang kang rog maning mane ka for the larger interest yang itum review the analyze ka sa ne teu mai ga ups and down le the kre ka tong achi ka da itum matha mai the next future wang sem kwisik le ki pa ka the NBF the political vision akawe dungdi ka the athum the Manipur ka sem mi di ka the itum naga li seba ka sa odram kang tu di yes itum ngarum da pangsin na ga itum seba sare da razang gai ne the itum chi most welcome sa babam me ka adang issue panelists NBF ina gang chi arwi da itum outside support in rasasi ga jibaji hibai wa open secret ne yang yari bing itum confusion sa se itum pre-war alliance ga hi open secret ne da yang officer di of course itum sign mo masai mane ka thar chiwi understanding chiwi level ba je ne wa da rababam gai ne chiwi wang ai na ajon thang we election ji da sorry cabinet thuruk yang thuruk indak gasa ji da itum me honorable minister awangbo ada the kuisang babam gai ne ji remedi the party ki de ki da mu kuisang mane je ne here already the alliance sa da the labor bam gai ne ki ji ba ji hangai
Okay. Ning share are question ji hi na ko ku musaure audience bing lam thalai participate sa mere online viewers bing lam thalai ngahan mere chung ka ning she ida da we must question one another. Democracy liver question ka ngahan hi matamai tu ji practice ka ne. If you don't ask you won't learn. Ngahan lo chung mai the re ka ngahan gi ji hi thang ka mai akhawi otsak ne ngahan rok jingra I'm sure atum panelists bing ngahan ka mi khai hi itum ko tong niaw ngai re the shit sangai are bottom line a khalai de lai hile hili ina hi hang laga are question ani kup sang khwai sa se David Lane na hang li da klai ko vai iwi ka puning li tang khunal ne iwi ka puning li panelists bing hi political ambitions khalai mi mang ka hai tha da thai Tangkul na wiwang Kendra ketumang le ya, ashi ketumjina anshi ketumang lina daga, ashi ketumjina ning terlak aina corruption masaka naturally yarina sure haura. There is other advice I mean go. Yes, thank you. Ari ishiwe discussion hi hili kupkasang ngasaira. Just before we end it, in iwi ningshi ishi timwi ningshi panelist matili kachung kamingai dele na thum atam la yang la lan la kachung ka ting la garazang dele hili iwi wang or hili razang da khle wang mang dam pani tangkul naw bing wang investment ne da khui milo da hangai ntum ne spend ra sa ga hi na thum athara yaw sang ga hi kapanga athai mathaira ga ji hang sangai ningshi in the upcoming programs invite Sarali Shidre nthona Ravili Shidlo just before we part ways achu episode hi achu program hi lipaning ka vai sada sina memento abu ngran medle sina ne now dan tum MLA ADC or MP ningai ga hi yor laga ning vai ra aman saklak ka ya aman saklak ha memento ne jena it may be small ka valuable salake and then Tanghu Kasemli, Raisang Kawai Gasali, Hila participate Sako. I'm also one of the history makers, Kaji winning Chukaina. In he avuli pass on Saming Idolin Tumna, Ning Shen Kakwimilo, Kaji Hanga Himi, okay. Yeah, ning share audience ping lila audience ping ina ta hangai da isya thang program la mahau program ka China mong phogai na ara khungwak ba he ashimati na ichiling song serli ra ning dio bai mane. Right, and kup ka sangli ina ita da hangai viewers ping kala audience ping tum sai ko li atang hangai da itum hi inform citizen awang sa se awareness lai se politics li itum participate samai se active samai da itum li awareness lai ka ba intending candidates ping ya reward ka sa ping hi they will fear and respect us itum na knowledge mak lejitran information mak lejitran public opinion strong mak sajitran advantage khui mina jeni itum active samai important samai khui lagas chadwase nada ak hangai re say no to chief guest, no to guest of honor, no to VIP culture ka kanui thodak sada projects misangsawa proposal vase anything which will ease our livelihood ramli we khuli no we khuli we shim kruili kata da long run li itumwe mirin ring pa mai shabra for example itumi lui va sere ka kha junga hi kha mi kaya khana heiun matha mai vai wang da ocha da le avava awong ra aying ra ping na mai ra akto apang ra na ocha da le hili atumwi lui khawai hi ngaveng sang khawai kaya khana ocha mi dele martina kha khwishab dak le areas li martin phanga khui khwai kipana samili for example entrepreneurs being laisa dak le ping market kya ka show mi le platforms kya ka show mi le itumi har mathala khaya apam ne organic kasa athai shirai chung kale katha the export sara katha the hen itumi livelihood sara employment katha the generate sa vai sa dele itum chik tha chi muchuk sangai government ot shoka log vai wang mang ho paisa khale wang mang ho haka alternative employment ni ki entrepreneurship haka entrepreneurs bing li khipana promote sami dele startup manipur li kya khali select sa le for example itumi muchuk say youth revolution is the need of the hour we should itumi to imang mani rhetoric masala hita the gather sa say let us interact with one another brainstorm with one another ideas share sa say opinions share sa laga hita kham pha mai merla khang han ba hi mi itumili practice kham kham thak le khang han ba hi wa khang han ba ngajan khamai da khui de no that is wrong thei ngai khmai ba hi na thang mai mai khmai ba hi na wang han khui ngai mai because once you ask you get more knowledge interact sang rock say ko shok jang hang saying rock say itumi hita the interaction hi chung mai ka itumi society li khang je khuira re gi ji ina ntum tong li machan sang ngai ne a chu we episode li razang mi kai ya risai ko li chung ga ni shi atang hang gai da the talk with Sorintan Haure the Tangkul Express Tangkul platform ne ko to mi jing lo your feedback your advice is always welcome itum na programs kui kam mi man re social issues relate ka sa not just electoral politics social issues lo chung khurare chili participate sami moman lo la ka itum society li khamata khang je khurak vai ji itum ko tong hot na ser se ji hanga ndung tong lining share mong pha me ser se see you in the next episode thank you